Omechiachi obia ema ye na ho akwaba e de baba Grace TV so gidi se twedi ampo nyankropantom obia ho ye nyame ho ye mobo wasan dom ye nkwa ene ahoden ama ye share bim and of course said ye na enim ye share say ya ye bedi nkomo enye bufu enye ntokwa ye be cheche adwen e de afa nsem ahodo a esi e wo ye man mu titiro nsem a ebotwi e ka oberman ya ade achi ade esa no eyi deja de atwetwe nkomo edi mu nkomo se de be ya ye man ne betum pon ama bibia aye asumdwe na de ene abetodwa ye guso di mu nkomo still on that lumba nsensim ye achese besa abosome ekwa abosome besa wotwe ne de ade achi ade esa na eno a ho nsem ena eto from ade achi ade esa na eno a ho nsem ena eye deja omonten so na no tie tena sia enye no fufura sa bebum ya ye babedi mu nkomo ni nyina ne se de yin ne obo abusua sijua wadaroma na yes ruke adam me makwa ba ho ye de Mr. Abusua be kan wa no subscribe na wa like na wa share ama fufura nso enya bi ahwe ne yin etimi de odon kro ya kabum edi nkomo se dia esi etie but the news ne se de yin na ayate no na ye bia ye ho bi no ye na abusua pani dada abusua pani Kofi Tupac press conference and he was missing out of his own press conference. Na ye bedin komo ni abecheche nsem wankasa nsem a sabi ya papa obekasa ya chese ona ye kasama for the mebusuan de tutwa na fe that to nsene ni acheche adwen dia fa na bibia ye boko but I think so we cannot tell from the look of things na busuan the signs are on the wall. The signs are clear sabi me mpere me hon kasa se bia me kasa edia ma obi anase but say ye hwe de akoso from nanu okuada ewo pa akoso ene de ne akoso was Santasia main kasa bebre but while Nasia I think say abusunya why you can make your own conclusions, you can make your own deductions about things somehow do akoso no ene de ne so abeto dwaya sabi e papa obekasa eche say a press conference ono ye e de ama ye na abusua pani Kofi ya abusua pani da Kofi Tupac na wo che say odaso akwa ye abusua pani obi antuni mfre kunya so ene ensem wodi to dwa bebre ye be ransem ni ato ye boase na ye din komotimi sra obusuya metwen momra na fe yi na ye nto ye boase nsem do so pa but me mpese ye be hya ase anza na obi aba ti ye start ya na ye nyina kakra ni abore ma fe na ye din komo no a ni ye din asodue kwai so be a whole lot ena akoso me no ye din nsem we achi efiri eda asem we hya ase ba monten so ebesi ne tin nsem no bi akoso ane omo de ato dwa no ye kiremu a sebe wa obetimi make deductions at the frames ye chimo wa betimi make your conclusions and so at the frame no na sabre share ye ba abedi enkom so without wasting much time you run some no more the enhwen sem wa ene ye papa edi to janti yes press conference no just say e course wo Kumasi Santasi na Kumasi Santasi fear press conference ne course wo and only fear on send an observation ko because that lumba omo edida no anaso no bedu nkan no omo de ko tu fie wo Kumasi Santasi ansa na chi kra omo de body na mu ne ba stadium e de abetom pem wo stadium amanfo abehwe body no ansa kra na omo kwa kosie no e wo nkan and the na press conference na course na e papa obekasa ye no mini kan chi mu free say ye papa obekasa o chere say wo no o ye press secretary ya chere say abusua no okasa de abusua na fe e fan chichi mu bia ne ade a oginemu a okasa de abusua na papa say ye beka ye papa obekasa ye no minim no pa inim no by Grace TV na kasa no kre oye busuani ya am so chere say wo nsuta chebi area ho baby on say eko ni chebi ni na wo nsuta area ho no ma ho ne ye papa ye wo ya oye busuani na ye to ye boas ne hwense no makoma na fan to sane ani ye bia bedi enkomo no ma de wagen chere o na ye be phone lines or free now so do wagen chere aba ya papa no be kan say chere say o e dihye ya o ka eko na abusua no ho into a dish ye enokre etinye bia ni ho ene papa na okasa an chem se empo no na brother lumba ye nyame dia now so bi nyame dia e kenkan tribute sebi adanse a ibedidi afa nipa no ye nyame dia no ho nipa no a sebi ye pe ne krabe no ye de be kai no ne ade o chere se brother lumba ye nyame dia no sai papa yi a ene o ye press conference den sem tudwe empo no ene kasa ye anaso pa kenkan tribute a eye abusuafo womo ekanye edi ehye that lumba ni munyam tributa eye busuafo womo kanye ema womo de that lumba edi di nkran san yakopa ne krabe wa musie no eye ono sa papa no ene kan sa tribute eno ye baako ena afo sa ichemu wiem se Omo kwa eye adehye abusua no. Tieni o. Omo adehye abusua no. Omo ka bi nshem. Omo nim bi akoso bi akopem se. Na no okuada. Omo fie mu a omo dwendwen omo ho a. Ena wote se tieni o se nipa bi akohia opa akoso. Osi omo fie mu obia na fam dia obia hwese aja obe na de akaka de tumpon ka omo ka bi nshem. Ena omo betia ne se yesi nipa bi akohia opa akoso. Na as to sabre no tie no nim nipa krokra asabio o makwakohia opakoso ene de omkwa akoye until say later eba beto dwase nipa no omkohia nse omoye ebusuafo either de no be ebusuafo ntie no so ye pakọ ka asem se o ti no social media so nipa bi akohia opakoso ana o ka asem bi se ye de tutu nsani ani o wadaroma omkohia opakoso no omo chese omo ye that no be ebusuafo eye ko ebusuafo ene anana ka se Oka mo bia te se aye ekwa abusua no enye abusua ketwa bia sa enye abusua bia ye abusua tra ye nti ebia enipa ba ko mienu se de oka no betimi akogina ba bi se o mo hia no o ma ne abusuafo no san se papa yi kan se abusuafo no mo do so pa ebi wo nkro crowd wo bebre so ebi wo mia wo do bebre so no kwa de edi ho dance no kre because ena no a o mo hia ya no mo betu abusua pani ye na to parki o mo kan se abusuafo ne do so ema mpomadi kia catch o dada say ye anu a okasa aye eda no mutu Japan to park ono onte park so okay ko busu anu ba free awenya na baaye ona ye awenya fo busu Japan ani badi kia catch o dada say awenya no abusua ewo ensuta area hono endize omo chere say aye papa okasa o press conference in abusua press secretary e ka se omo ekosia o park so no nipa na abusua ne kakra bi na nye omo na abusua fo no do so a omo chere say da bi ene sa na tie e san se wo mo abusua fo no omo do so na bi hia o park so e ma medical kam se su bi m se empom ko hia o park so no na nye park so fo nko a wo be kai abusua papa no o ya announcement say officially omo to abusua pen no ono nya park so no wo oni pakoso oye awenya ne yo nkro ne bia bran na ikwe kasa me no obo awenya din so omade hye ne bi honom na okasa ya press conference na okasa ya so moto Japan no ona ye busu Japan na owa awenya ndom chese se ko bose na yi kasa busu Japan press conference na okasa enipa kakra bi na kohyia mu ho na busu na doso a yo doso na enso nya kakra bi na kohyia mu pakoso etu ya na busu Japan to park eye abusuafo ni nyina ena omu nyina kohie mu amutu ya na abusuafo to park na abusuafo dada to park emempo di okasa ya official announcement say tu ya na abusuafo to park no omu kire mu say ono kwa kan yeso omu kire mu say ono na ye adehye abusuafo no omu do so wonkro bebre nso na awanya ya omu aka adehye ne wa awanya no wona da omu nyina no ya oka ho bi territory and ye be kai di adanse say empo on that day no Asante agona for by afi offensive for no offensive for nso wo me kire busuafo na bia wo offensive ya na e kasa o ka omu na de o ka ho afi bi no fro boase ti wo be kai sasa da na me ni that number of bi kasa bo ka se o ne wo fa se bi free of boase omu na ba bi ebinom afi pechireche mo kai se free da bia me kasa me bo pechireche nso wa asante achim omu na wo ba ebusuapeni dada na to park ni tu na sibi ya omu nyina na ka bo mu se ya ka bo makọ benkrum se ye tu abusuapani nti se ko ba se ene abusuapani press conference ase na family press secretary ko ka se nipa ka kra bi na ekohia mu opa akoso a enti sa because omu nyina na ekohia afei abusuapani press secretary na okasa ne ede mai na abusuapani chese ono kwa de osusu se omu a enipa kakra bi menka nse abusuafo kakra bi na mekan ya ene kohia opa so omo to abusuapani to park na sa nipa kakra no omo ntimi ntu abusuapani to park ena madiki a chem abusuani na ye ni mo asem se ena no sunyane fo nyina abusuafo no bi firi sunyane ene ade wo nyina bai ede oni monyam no sunsun beta ekire be kama mansa nyina te se adam onto obi omo to bia no omo so tekire omo de omo akoma pa ene omo paebo etekire na fe ina na kasa mu na oka bibi se empo kra no za ade no ekoso na se amamranya amane a oyeri tu abusuapani dada to park e park so no o se chia amamre mu culturally o say wrong say ebusua no mu nipa no bi be hia ho na wo mo akotu ye na ebusua pani to park entisa esan say sabi I was a mutu and ebusua pani that to park ya I was a busua for no mu nipa ne mu panyin nyina elders of the family any mu man panyin fo na ba be hia mu but na chere say na no park so no nya busua fo no mu panyin fo any mu e man panyin fo ne ade nyina na be hia mu kakra bi ena nipa bi ko share o ma se o don ba o mo be kasai but yeah kind of current so they actually ho on the third day no ana medical catch say empodo abusua pen na o ya announcement say ene yabusua pen sa brand na o kan na yabusua pen ku fu so nya yabusua pen bi mu o na yabusua pen na o wa hwanya yehuman pen fo ni bi free sunyane pe cheche biase ene ade bae enti na se ne onwa ba ya onba ya amamra nya ma tu abusua pen that to park omo ye mpanyimfo a wabusua no se ya na yeka se dis abusua no mpanyimfo no eno so ye baako afa ye to so biemu a kina na che se omo a na obahiem wo efie ho ne santase ne no omo nyina ye ekwo adehye omo nyina aye ekwo adehye ama mpo na ekwo dikuru otawo mochi etimbi ya so obeso che se ekwo adehye enyina tai abusua pani dada to park echi ema mpo ya na ekodi kuro ono so sabio otai abusua pani dada to park echi se ono ana ya abusua pani yenhwe bibiwa ena no de course e wo park so ekwa abusua ni nyina enkronko ni nyina no mo e man panyimfo no mo sabi abusua no mpanyimfo no mo so and a spokesperson abusua spokesperson ya me refin come in the picture na to so o dey no problem let's try some picture na to so se be hu ya na me kana wasem abusua spokesperson e kasa ho say e just abusua no mpanyimfo ene e man mpanyimfo na betime tu na abusua to park enti sempo e ko ba se de o ka say e ko fo ade se o mu nya ta abusua to park echi yemusa ya ho se ya na no man panyimfo no wo park so no a mo ba park so sada no o mo kire se o mo man panyimfo na ka bom ebi awu die yes ebi awu die but o mo man panyimfo na o mo nyina ka bom e de na abusua panyi kofu su esi akunwa so se abusua panyi enti wo mo ade si akunwa so se abusua panyi wo mo awasa atumi ni se nei o mo se niema bi atochema no ma bon kwadu afre no awa ama omo otumi bia so omo timi tuna fira kunwa so se dia mamre ne amane esitie ya entochima wo bebia na enchia enso wo bebia no so yensem no bia wo mo aka na omo di tudwa a kire amansan se dia esi etie afa yento so biemu en omo cheche ensem no amu no ena ye papa na kari a kire amansan nyina se busua o kasa no ana o ka bibi se empokra no press conference a ene omo eye no press conference and omo ye no santas no ya na ebeto just abusua pani ever responded to the student and I said the sacking as family head no abusua pani be responding no ya na che say abusua pani that to park onim ho hwe ti yenka mo obi ante say you another abusua pani that to park press conference e course na day no onim ho hwe obi anka hwe nche no enye se bia o na akwhye obi achi ene me bia phone line achi adwenya bufu nya ntokwa ejansem ni ban de bia to nse ni achi adwo ho na fa bi aye kama but abusua pani spokesperson na say ina na okasa o press conference as o chese ene this ne press conference of course no enye abusua pani to park abusua pani that down Mr. to park na organize you almost say omra me kasa o da bi nempo mi ami na abusua pani that kofu to park onimu mpo se ne sabi abusuafo ba be hia abe kasa de amano na ye omo abusuafo na omo se da bi de course wo park so no omo nyintum de course wo park so no omo ti ase enye sanse enya amamre ne amane sa na omo ka no enu nti wo mo ye abusuafo obi an consult omo anka bibia an kire omo wo be hu an se e won take time fidie so on by Grace TV me di beto dwa se ye tu abusuapani to park enti wo mo se basa eti amamani amane ye ni nyina ka ho bi ena wo mo se wo mo nyintu no na empo abusuapani to park is not aware of what is happening but wo wan afa to wo mo so se enam se wo mo de wo mo ye abusua no mu nipa mo pe abusua no ye yo na abusua nkan konti no wo mo be kasa just finya sam kito enti se obi aka se abusuapani dada to park ena e hye wo mo ase ma wo mo ye press conference na wo mo se ntisa na abusuapani dada to park onempo wonim kura se obi be press conference abusuapani dada to park ene onim mpo se e ko na abo edi sibusua no wo mo ba be hia wo ko ase santase onim hwe obo wan se bi obo so TV ni e wo content video so obo mu se press conference bi ko so but onim mpo on fe obi akwa mu se na wan na e ko ase enti obi abusuapani dada to park onim ho hwe enti na obi ahu no ho no and then also ebi no so se won kan but ye hu ya na abusuapani dada to park o ase enti fu ni wa pejafo ho ye wo abusuapani dada ni two eyes ho e o fa Ebenezer Mr. Ebenezer me refi ni sene no ye hu no ho no ma na wasi na ni kama da bia na wasi na kiki na kama ye hu no ho ti amafo so just se mpo abusuapani dada to park ni wa na pejafo na o we enti ba bia okobia so ne ye papa Ebenezer na ekọ e ma mpo kra no bra ye wie ana dem ye that lumba ye wie na odas no otwe ye papa Ebenezer bejana nchen se ne two ic otu anu watiem bi o na tijana bi bia e kama nti am for se mo se abusuapani dada to park oni press conference in hwia but say two ic ye papa Ebenezer ti na sa danko dada adwe ana ono ana kan nsem na de agu ya papa Ebenezer so kan be sima na two na mo na ye bibia ama me ana and that's one of the issues of my boss and then also at the set press conference no and omo ka bibi say sabio obia ni obetimi atu abusuapani sabia ama no ka say obia ni wa obetimi atu ya na abusuapani Kofi Wusu to park esan say sabio omo kire say entam kese bi wo ho aya mbese me call because I asem kese entam kese bi wo ho ya e wo manhia Mr. Meka na enam sentam kese bi wo na ntam kese no wo manhia ntino obi antimi ntu ya na to park ko pem se wo hene kese sabi ebe kantam kese no mu asem wi ansana si betu abusuapani dada to park eto no enti won de wo kale a che Ghana fo nyina se obia ni wa owo tumi se obetumi atu abusuapani dada Kofi Wusu to park because entam kese wo ya e wo manhia ko to Kofi ti ko pem se onye kese be kantam kese na wie no obia ntimi ntu ya na abusuapani dada to park and afi o sa chemu biem se empo ba bi omo abusuafo ma ko hia mu a omo de nsem abeto dwa no o ka mo obi ati ase se eho ya ye santas no eho na that the lumbam po eho yo mabusua fie tieni yo obusua eho yo mabusua fie ya hompo na omo that lumbam mu no beto mpem eje adisede e ma ye ma me odobroni e de men kan se ni kuna ye ni mo de ba ye de besi ni kuna ni na akoye ekoye amamre ni amane se de sitie enti ho yo mabusua fie ye abusuafo nyina hiem baro be kaya ye ko pa akoso mampanyimfo no kan na mampanyimfo no kan abusuampanyimfo no kan se pa akoso ho ena omsie na abusuapani Kofi Wusu abusuapani enti so mbetu no a enam se mpanyimfo se bia hia abo awa na eja no ntino pa akoso wa na wo so mtu no because bia hia abo na wa na eja no and omu nyina ni obi adi adanse se pa akoso wa na omo de na abusuapani dada Kofi Wusu to park esi akunya so se omo na esi akunya so ho a omo tu no ani kwan so omo kutu no ba bia eje se pa akoso wo no a omo san ba na omo nyina aka abom asa ya amamre ne amane etuno no ntina na no wukuada wo mo anko ba bia se pa akoso no afa bi omo sa kire mu biem se da bi sabi ekona abusua na eso se le bedi ki aka nko ne ezi amse nko ne kra bi aka amanfo ti pekire kire ne cheche bi asen crowd aka nko ne doso bedo mabusua ne nyina no omuti ene pa akoso enti na se eho na ye omu nyina ti no se ombetu na mo bia ya amamene amane abusua be hie maka bibia asa pa akoso na wo se koso ti bezam kire se abusuafo tu abusuafo tu pa no mo kire mu die nti a mo tu omo ya amamene wo pa akoso tu no because I want to hear more busuanity. Yeah, I don't know me never feel obi akodu baby odu. Obi akodu ni baby asesi a wakoswe. Ti wo aswe we ku, waswe wa gbena ho, waswe wo cheche biase o, waswe wo pecheleche o, waswe wo sunyani o, Bono region, waswe wo anyaso western north o, waswe wo asante agbena offense o, mu fi paakoso ntino. Yebetu obusuapen na ehwa na wose koso. Oso no mutiwo, na ye baako. Ana osan ka bibi se osan ka bibi se empo e wo paakoso no. Ehwa na omu nkunya guo. Obeka ya me ne that number offer. Baako ye interview of a Clement. Okay say paakoso wo no. Ehwa na ye wo spiritual home. Wo ancestral home because ehwa mpo na aye ekwa abusua no. Ekwa na abusua no. Ehwa na omu nkunya guo. Eka nkunya anya se bia dem nkunya tuntum asebe na no gusu nsa ya mamere. Madam So we say they sit here. And I say, what's the pictures and videos to show what they did at that Santa's house? And I say, more other one. Okay. And they also that sit here. Yes, and also can be. And I almost actually say, and I'm saying, hold on, kunya go no. Obunko na aka nyina kunya bia ni ho, Mr. Meka. So we kra ka say, ekwo kra no sabi yo Mr. Meka. Omu ni kunya wo ho. E wo so omu na di kuro we ekwo. Yes, but ekwo omu ni kunya wo. Omu kunya nyina wo. Paakoso enti obi bia bedimu se bia omo besi wo omo do betina kunya so omo do bet ami ebesi bibia e wo omo besu anu a ebedimu anye so me na omo spiritual home and so ancestral home which is paakoso enti ko na to park yi omo de si ade so wo paakoso ti omo betu na paakoso wanti na omo tu na paakoso na nese omo bisa de enti a santase ebrebe na beye ebusua nyina efie amamere ni amane mu enti omutu ana mo etisa and spokesperson ka san ka say paakoso eya ahemfie but santasi ye busuafie and ye nzo mo ya adehye ti adehye busuafie antina mo ko tu obusuafie that to park e wo paakoso and so ka ho asem e kire mu die ntia paakoso no mo ye bibisa ho a edimu ti en so ka ho asem and afi yeah onu papa ni kire mu say santasi wo no na that lumba beto mpem ebe ya disi die ni ade but then you say you should any videos in bibia set sa but I know say videos we abon time ma me odobroni na okoye nsiye okoye se bikuna na eniemo odi besie ni kunu and the federal number no odi koye no che say ho enam that lumba mu no koye enti no say omo hiem wo ho ne na omo justify die enti a sabi omo tai abusuapani that to park echi omo che say yentu no a na asechire no eno ye baako. And after almost I told you, I'm saying, and one hour paakoso na no, brown moye, or mutu observe that to pack. Only na your moi. Only na your moi. Oma santasi, a bushing fio. A brother lumber ye coso any idea. Only na you or one mahonum. But I was yabe kaya, empo crano bra, ye call. Paakoso ye dia papa bi ye interview na bi ye interview metal cap that number offer ana Clement and what I say one day a year no even though on ye busuapani that to park nya adwene but that number no offer sinti ko bi sa Emma bibia no ofio enti say busuapani gospel person kase wa mabia na ntesa ye na sa kasa na interview si baba abonti na ntesa because ono a year no hobby Santasi fio oba hobby ni ade just say and yes, be about me not tidy equals which not on touch the bed because you foresee and offer us. To do the about me and castle or shassan or baby. And to also, even though be any bit who shame me at the but still, or come will be at to say, on force had the other course no so. On force so. And once I mean, I can be our touch that my two, yeah, nebus your pen that to pack. And I'll see a barco. Afei. And this year, one o'clock, I say, one walk paakoso, no mean, I'll be no bad than the few, a bed near Tom Pem, or be no bass and tass if you are, and Tessa, and see a barco. And after what you say, Empo could be ya, never was your phone be on the corridor or be almost some just with your phone be grass. Oh, said that lumba a year was appointed to pack. There was appointed that to pack, or walk one time till it will be or no beyond a Cassica 70 out there. And I'll say, and I'll come will be at as I say, a brother lumba ye, Yamedian. Yenny, I am not to pack. catch a busian say, or Pebosian, the aye, anything go being copper busiamra. No more fanya ye no. Or Japan to pack ekaya. But the busiafo no be or chim be into this out. A busiafo no be anywhere. Or copper busian bar say, Monye na mummy and fanque that lumber ye. Obi ampe bi ama busiafo to pack bomb, obi an copper busian bi ama. Emma, Sabi, me amena. Abusiapani dada abusiapani confused to pack ya ya papa ka say chese o da so ya abusiapani dada na kope ono ane bosia sim kope ono ane bosia de bae e de beye yi ba sam dia me kai say bra ye ko kuma say high court nsem no court no researcher of free mention akoto ko fi bae eye teacher safo kantanka e be chim say sa asem ba fie sa abusiapani na say ni bi so kope bosia de aba and after abusiapani say ni bi say yes, on the things now, obey ye, and I say, but on no share, oversee said, Bibia, Ebay Kama, or supervise. Indeed, we can say, because teacher can't come to teach him or court on my head, as yes, sir. It was a pen as a yearly been say, it will be fisa or cock pebble siamba. And Pepper Pay or Cassa, spokesperson, say, will be a crano. Uncle Pebble Siambia, my baby, a penny to party to your friends, so, I'm Pebble Siamba, I'll bring up Pebble Siamana, can find that number. Obianco Pebiama. Emma mu be ye din Emma do baby we to park na 7 years what this yanko akwadwane we ye busu apani ntino busu apani that to park sabe no ye busu apani ntino o no adin tuma e bonebo chantuma sinebo e kopa bosia ba ya o de be ye yi na o say afi busu apani na kopa na bosia ba na wo amaka mo ensie na se a ade na bobusa akonta ho nsensem e na wo sa tu di amane mama China say empo catch on my China say on my China agi agina mu ono ya maame ma China sabi ebra na maame ye nyame dia ono obi emu akonta ono obi ara biara emu akonta sense ono na ye na yi enti update na no ba nyame dia na press conference be koso a mama China be ba abon tia be ka say obi mu akonta ana obi mu akonta but we dey maame na me wo fie obi maame nchemu kakra on say press conference na kasa ebusia mpanyimfo no ma mpanyimfo ene sabi mu ma mpanyimfo de yes omo ye omo anase omo to obusia omo nsem mutudwa ena omo nyina kasa we no yes mpanyimfo ne kasa we no yes ebusia ni nyina nso e de omo no asem ahye mama China no say on kasa ntwa asem nyina ato enti we de minchim kakra se de be ade wanya akonya ntie press conference ebusia pani tu na no obeti ase yi enti ebusia fo na yes Wama resansem kakra dia hye ma China num se won fon to bia nkyere amansan na amansan nyina ntibi enti se mama China ka bisa yese bia ono asem na o ka ho na emu mabusuafo nyina no asem e no wa research na no se onka enti yem se o se hye wono se bia misinformation bia nkoso madaroma afei yes madiki ya ka se wo se mama China mpo ne ma me wuye ono obi emu akonta aha said ya isi etie okay sa na oka and after almost that was you know say papa na kasa no say empokra no mama China that the lumber yi no wa ma enti obi a that lumber yi wa ma ade na abepra kontabu ya papa na kasa asem no o say mama China that lumber yi no wa ma tell na mama China wa ma that lumber yi dia obepra kontabu but you know any circumstances ya na nsem women person recall but you know any circumstances around that number year course the back and forth the dramatic I mean U10 ne ade ne nsem recall na me mean say sabre no gbenya hoden ne akoma pakra de about and we all understand say ebusiafo ana say yenye nhwemu ansa na yesi this year no mama China no ka ho na me akoso abempoma no ka no for ya poku na wa kaka ho enti omo pre ya anya omo akoma so ade amamo me nyini se ombenya akoma pa ne odokra so mo ne ba betena se enti no de na nakasa na emze hunchemu kaka ena mo do say so ma China no pesi ohu akonta ene abusia musika semo a ene na nka wase mo China no a that number ye na nka wase no ankasa baby esanse no ankasa ba that number ye ni bidia anka obehu because ye also oba no mo ye ni wie ya anka mo na betena se abu akonta ne ko mo na betena se bu akonta baby so ade body no fa ye bia no kama China behu na watense mo se na nam se wa ma bi nti no ema omusa obi ase Sabi that lumba wachi akonte ekoso one person mu we person what say we person mu de ekoso nti what you say my China has no right to bebusa that lumba akonta ba na maka say no no na bisa e dey mabusa for na case ma we search na num tie yabusa for na sem na homo kanti on say bia e na person o ka kire say ebusuafo ni to so mbusa akonta bu dia e no so ye baako afei ya na ka say o say na mpo kura akonta bu mu no abusuapani dada to pack yeti America dada nso mpese me ne abusuafo ibenya asem because abusuamu mpanyimfo ne mampanyimfo saa na da no mo ya amamre so mo to abusuapani no omo de kokobo ya amra ne court nsama itechi se obo omo do court mesu mini court sika tina me ya mse abusuapani dada no mpese me kana chita kwa twama ko nya court se mra me yima no eja asuko no ma so and what you say? Oh, papa, you can say. Or can we be at say? Almost almost you was paying more contact because first time I called back also. Your mother was paying to you. No can say. How much you see that number? I feel you can't him no. And I'm feel could be on one say no be a create more contact. No, my papa I can say. Or can we be at say? I was paying. I was at Tiani. You say you am a party ani. Or can we be at say? And you have a credit say was paying 2 pack. I was paying that 2 pack. We more contact you be a. That lumber you know we no abusua paying that to pack ebu akonta de kire abusua fo no hye mo abusua fi hono na emom ne bi na enya wie peye wa akonta buo ni asem o kan nyam na me kan wo twa ko pe video ni bi ati o se o ka mo bia te se abro mo ye ni wie no abusua paying that to pack ebu akonta ewa abusua fi o kire abusua fo na wo na emom enema bi na enwie peye wa kontabu no tie enema be ya ende wan hyedan kyerem sa enti se empo se wo wu akonta na bibia ye kama na no asem se enema bi nya wie peye enye se na wo mo ase wo mo ka se akontabu enema bi nya wie no na ne kwan so an so hu na ne kwan so an hey press conference. Yes, and also yense no back. We be din komo pa nya botem. Some bobo nsem no bi na din komo akasa. Yeah, it was the signs are on the wall. No kwai back ope. The na no course wo pa akosi. Ene de ne akoso e wo Santasi. O de o hwe ni ya. Nyeme na mbeka na akasa komo na se anase. The signs are clear. The signs are clear. The signs are all written on the wall. The signs are clear. Unfortunately, was happening on no need a press conference na see. What they enter us. Yet was so. And I feel what the Americans was say. If I couldn't tell no, or we had number yen and I was paying that 2 pack. Nana Pia Wadaroma. I mean you soon answer 2 packs to you soon. To me na precope. Just be another one I'm not nya dream, but na precope Wadaroma. So I said, name who's were doing before the empire once the empire once a man able to tax one penny once on our 7 hour complaints. And to one can say, Papa say, the press secretary say, one papa no, be penas and party or Cassia. My friends, I sent about for them didn't come up. The name were very friendly. Maybe a 7 hour banana in any yard, but don't say, be a CNC. Also, a can will be at say, one way that lumber ye, one more wakunta. Yes, we paying that to pack. O bu akonta kire abusuafo ofa abusuafi ho. Na emom kaka ho bi obetima TV no. Na emom bu akonta niam bi akonta bo niam bi na enwie paye wom. Be no nkire se we mu akonta. This obi jina ba bi ka se sabi. Abi paying to pack ra mu akonta kire abusuafo a yen ka se obo ante sa. Wo bu akonta. Na akonta na obu niam bi na enya wie paye. Eze ne asem o kan ne de because if once kind there's a difference be anymore because the name be we pay the ntimi nka se wo bu akonta na wi because wo bu akonta na wi na name we pay a and the agya tun se wo bu akonta but papa na no asem se wo bu akonta but name be nya wi pay e wo akonta bo nti ebusa se eni ma be na nya wi pay anka wo se nya no busa no chim yi chere se o e bia name wi pay ni say ben ye wan chim wo no yento aso and afi o chim se yeah, na abusu apanyi to pack. Aye wo hene na sie no. Abusu apanyi. Tieni yo, yeah na abusu apanyi ni that to pack. Yeah, aha menya asemo. Be se abusu afo that no abusuafo mo hwe ya me ya na referent mo fa nche me sem ni sika me de be court why ti me ka abusuapani Tupac na me refer my father da na nka ho a anofo ma dwebro madaroma anofo ma dwebro madaroma enti wo ka wo bi ate se abusuapani da Tupac aye ohene na de si akunwa so na se o chese na apa akoso hene de si akunwa so enti no enam se na apa akoso hene de si akunwa so enti no na apa akoso hene na betimi tu sa na ye papa yi kan se na apa akoso hene de abusuapani Tupac esi akunwa so enti na apa akoso hene nko na betimi tu abusuapani Tupac enti na apa akoso hene a obia ni wa obetimi atu abusuapani da Tupac afri akunwa so be no de ase se ho ma kan me ati ti ya ko chess Tupac ke okay mati and Mr Tupac enti o che o be ka da e ko pa akoso no o ka sa o chess da bi nya no kra da se sabi o hene na de abusuapani Tupac si akunwa so on say e papa ku a press secretary o se na pa akoso ne betimi atu abusuapani Tupac ana abusuapani da Tupac nso ka sa o se o ye interview Ezra FM no last time abusuafo share na asa na mbutuni o ye interview Ezra FM no ka se ono kwa do se sabi o mseme ka ye asoma be ka rekoma no eduru akola ketwa sabi o tie so da ye kro bia sante kotoko hene nkwa na betimi atu ze akoye mienu abusuapani Tupac de no se sabi o kotoko hene nkwa na betimi atu no ena ene de okasa ma no e che se da bi na pa akoso hene ene betimi atu ya na abusuapani da Tupac isan so de si akonya so ene ye ko pa akoso be ka ya man panyifo ne ka se efi he ya ne de si akonya so ye pa akoso fie ho no a no de si akonya so na man panyifo de si akonya so no won da won se bia wu won se wo de da mansan ko nyame hu ye mobo na o me ni nkwa na me e man panyifo de abusuapani da Tupac si akonya so no ebi ofio ebi na na abi na do mata dumba na 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 panyifo aka ebi nso aye nyame dia de nanso no krepa ne se ebi wo hodom ya so awo man panyifo de si akonya so wo wan betumi atu no na se ntimpo kra no se sa na tie dia se ya na okasa na ye press secretary ka se na pa akoso na de abusuapani Tupac si akonya so na ebi ntisa according to abusuaka kaka no ye tu na Tupac no masem de tu o se man panyifo na ka bo mu a o ne abusuanu me man panyifo de si akonya so o mo so na aka bo mu o mo tu no e na fi ade so ti no so ye baako ana fe abusuapani kasa mafo le kasa na no se na omo de ye omo wa se sabi abusuafo akohie mo paako so so omo tu abusuapani da Tupac so starting kwa de asemo so omo kaya last 2 years omo kohia ya omo kasa mo abusuapani 2 years abusuapani be kasa wa afa no kasa o omo ntimi ntu no omo kwa 70 pafia kakra kohia we omo ntimi ntu no omo kwa no omo nya na dihye wakanta magu omo so ni ade se zia de spokesperson kasa o se o eye abusuafo kakra bi ene kohia mo ho na se spokesperson wajet so mo ye abusuafo but omo ye kakra bi ti no mo ye kakra bi na so mo ye kakra bi e ko ye no mo na hwe ko e de e beto mo nim abusuafo no omo free achichiri bench e fa nkronya afi na mo boso obi aya we but cheche biase asa omo na wasante achi sunya ne bon abusuafo ni bi omo bai anya so e wo bibia ni patemo seshi western north omo bai offense bai asante agona bai afi ekwo bai awanya abusuapani na kasa ya o kasa etu abusuapani no etina se nya no kwese pa akofo kakra bi na akohye mbo no abusuafo tenten abusuafo kakra na no yehu bi e na omu ina ba se da bi na di akoso na me wo mo na mo che se da edi kan no abusuafo ni hie mo no on se after that na abusuapani be kasa oni pa kakra bi na akohia e na de omu nya abusuafo na makofa abonte so fo no ye bloggers aba se omu etu abusuapani enti no sa last Wednesday ya omo share me omo yes omo send message akose da bi da enye no kwese abusuafo kakra bi na epese tu abusuapani na omo nyina dia in support just said da no omo na yes o da bi omo tu kakra bi a wo be kasa inese no kwa na ntisa se pa akose fo kakra bi na ye busuana nyina ya e free certificate man afo omo nyina buy ebe ya mamle ni amani edi tu ya na abusuapani da ko fi usu Tupac enti afo what was being no say ona pa akoso hene sabi Mr. Mika hene nyankada akotoko hene brempon ahi fie na abusuapani tuwe koso na omo busa se ade na sabi na pa akoso hene mponi ho sana ye okasa ye papa ye kasa okan ade mpo na sabi mpia sa Mr. Mika na pa akoso hene mponi ho nom na abusuani mu ni ba bi be kasa wo ya mamre ni amande atu abusuapani Tupac na ɛha adwen sɛ akɔso wɔ paako so ahemfie enti ɔno kwa de ɔse obusa ina na paako so hene sɛ ɔse na paako so hene sɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so no ɔmra bɔnten mɛkasa sɛ na paako so hene ɛtɛ akyiri anaasɛ ɔntɛ akyiri wosɛtini o ɔse obusa sɛ na paako so hene ɔmra bɔnten mɛkasa sɛ deɛ akɔ so ɔyɛ efisɛpɔni to park etue yɛ kɔ so paako so ahemfie mesɛ meka yɛ na mama hene no nyinaa wɔ hɔ ne sɛ bi adehyia abusua na abusua no mpanyinfoɔ ne ma mpanyinfoɔ nyinaa wɔ no ɛnam sɛ kɔ so na paako so ahemfie no ti no na paako so hene ɛmara na ɔbɛkasa sɛ ɔtɛ akyire anaasɛ wɔntɛ akyire na sɛ papa no obusa no baabi na sɛ ne bra ba ɛmɔ sɛ na bra bɔnten bɛkasa meɛnte wɔn kasa sɛ ɔmo kɔ na paako so hene sɛ ɔmra mɛkasa sɛ wɔtɛ akyire anaasɛ ɔntɛ akyire na nso na paako so hene asɛ na wɔkyɛ na ɔde tu dwa bisa wɔde tu dwa sɛ empo ana sɛ bi na ho dodo kakra ɛma abusuapani despite na ho dodo nyinaa na abusuapani aka ɔne kɛseɛ ntam deɛ gu ne so yɛsɛ abusuapani afa na ni anto sɛ na ho dodo no ɔmo kyerɛ mu sɛ amammerɛ mu mpo so obi ho dodo no akɔka ntam gu ne so a ɛsɛ na obi sɛ oku no efiri atiasefo asase so sɛbio saa na mpanyinfoɔ ka na medeɛ menim makyɛ na ne abusua mu mpanyinfoɔ ka na paako so nti afei deɛ papa yi kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo san na paako so hene sɛbi kɔtɔkɔ hene bere mpɔn sɛ ɔmra bɔnten mɛkasa sɛ tu ɔmo tu abusuapani to park ɛna no okura wɔ paako so ahemfie no wɔnim mu bi anaasɛ wɔnim mu bi ɔtɛ akyire anaasɛ wɔntɛ akyire ɔmra bɔnten mɛkasa na wɔn hu na nanso adwen ɛfa saa nsɛnsɛm wɔ yɛn afei papa yi kɛse na ɔse wɔn a wɔahyia wɔ fie nyinaa yɛ adehyeɛ ɛma okay minimum ade mi na video si na bi hwɛ ba menim sɛ adehyeɛ wɔn ahyɛ da makwan ama amanfo ahyɛ da I don't know but wɔn a wɔahyia wɔ nyinaa yɛ adehyeɛ na ɛnam sɛ wɔn yɛ adehyeɛ nti no ɔka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɛmo obiara nkɔdidi atɛm baako ɛyɛ asɛm wɔ ɛdɛm sɛ ahobrɛase yɛ yabɔ ohwɛ mu ɛm sɛ ahobrɛase yɛ yaba m sɛ saa na madwen yam bia ɔmo ka kyerɛ adehyeɛ nyinaa sɛ ɛnam sɛ wɔn yɛ adehyeɛ ɛkɔ na adehyeɛ busua nti no deɛ di kan mo obiara nkɔdidi atɛm deɛ to so mmienu ɛmo obiara mɛkasa kasa twitwie ɛmfa mfa busua no ho afei ɛmo obiara mɛgu abusua no ho fi nti wei yɛ adeɛ a na ɔkasa na wayɛ adeɛ panyame hyira na ɔkasa yɛ no ɛyɛ abusua spokesperson no na sɛ abusua pɛrɛn sɛ na abusua kɔ kasa yɛ saa da na yɛ ɛmɛ no wɔn sɛ deɛ ɔmo ama yɛ papa kɔ bie ki wɔ court wɔn na mɛkasa deɛ ɔkɔ bie ki ɛwɔ court wɔ sɛ yɛsi da no wɔ ne fie no ɔmo na ama mɛkasa ɔmo ayɛ papa different person ɛna ɛba bɛkasa yɛ nti wɔse ɔka kyerɛ abusuafoɔ no adehyeɛ no a ahyia mu wɔ sɛbi efie wɔ santase sɛ ɛma obiara ne di atɛm sɛ ɔmo yɛ adehyeɛ no yɛ baako ɛma obiara ɛnka kasa sɛbi ebegu afoforo ho fi ɛma obiara nka kasa ebegu abusua no anim ase nti no yɛ nsɛm wɔka kyerɛ abusuafoɔ no mana afutuo deɛ wayɛ adeɛ wakasa pass na nka wɔsɛ ba ntɛm o wada roma mesrɛ me kasa na nka wɔsɛ wo nsɛm wei anaasɛ afutuo yɛ adeɛ ma adehyeɛ na nka wɔsɛ ba ntɛm koraa na nka ɛba ntɛm a gyidi yɛ sɛ nka nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ a nka busapɛn dada nka wɔn kaka no wɔ abɔnten nsɛm bi ne sɛ abusuafoɔ hyia mu last week na adeɛ kyeɛ yɛyɛ ne interview wɔ FM ɔsɛ abusuafoɔ fia kakra yi sɛ ɛyɛ sɛ ɛha adwen afei wɔn koraa kyɛ sɛ nsɛm no deɛ yɛn na yɛ nim nsɛm a egu abusua no ho fi na egu amina kan sɛ egu abusua no ho fi kasa twitwie ne atemidie no ebi ne sɛ abusuapani dada akɔtena UTV kɔ kan sɛ dadi lumba mpo de yɛ maame akɔso asɛ wawa de nkata no ɛyɛ fake saa na abusuapani kan na ɛyɛ ntuhyɛ mu chief no ne wa mo yɛ bi asɛm chief no ne wa mo yɛ bi wɔ bantama from Ashtown na mo yɛ ntuhyɛ mu hɔ enti dadi lumba ɛne maame akɔso asɛ wawa de no nkata no ɛyɛ fake ɛni na yɛ kasa egu abusua no ho fi on nana enti papa spokesperson akasa ne wayɛ adeɛ pa na so na nka sɛ ɔba ntɛm na ɔbɛka saa asɛm o sɛ ɛbɛyɛ anka ɔbɛka ne ntɛm kɔ anka abusua pɛn ankɔtena UTV ankɔ ka asɛm awerɛ hosɛm sei amfa mfata dumba ne yɛ maame akɔso asɛ wa ɛba saa ya ne ha adwe nti ana akasa wayɛ adeɛ pa so ɔka sɛ ɛma busuani anka asɛm a yɛ kasa twitwie no korɛ ɛma busuani bi anka asɛm a ɛnim guase ɛma busuani bi anka asɛm a egu abusua no fi no korɛ yɛ tɛkyire pa ne kwan sɛ ba saa nanso na nka wɔsɛ na bɛka saa nsɛm wei ntɛm ɛsan sɛ ɔbɛka saa nsɛm wei ntɛm a and kamera na ebusua panyin dada to park wankɔtena UTV anko kase empo that lumba ne maame akɔso ase wadeɛ nkrata Germany awadeɛ nkrata ya sabi yɛde ni obi bae ofa no ma kase na ya no ofa na ya we dori si wo ama o odontra o na odontra afo me na kase nyina ase ya maame bia first day ekɔ kuma ase akɔ ne kasa so on that lumba ne maame akɔso ase maame wo Germany kyesa saa wadeɛ nkrata na sabi misrɛ meka enam so ma yɛ papa that lumba enya German nkrata ama bia cover sabi misrɛ meka na manyina obusua pani si ege fake obusua pani dada misrɛ meka ntuhye mu chief mu ye bi obantema Kurofrom Ashtown Abrepo Junction and the one coming on the account so enti bosa na akɔ haju because saa brand mpa obusua pani kan sasa did we consider if some man akosia say how did she feel the pain, the disbelief, the disappointment? Yeah, will be feeling sad and say, yeah, the Indian will be, but said, yeah, a tear, one for coming at ya. Say, auntie, me crata, Yamia do me, I'm the time me could December Buana, Yamia do me, boy, I'm on Sunyan and Crata Mark of one to me, a Jamas in the Bissineno. Me couldn't wish a national television, so United Show, United TV, a quite UTV, a quite cheap over. And ya hampo. Say you had say UTV. All my life, nipa be sad brand, 7 by nipa be 10K, 5K almost. That's all my show on TV. Any idea? YouTube, any idea? YouTube kind of 5K, Facebook my. It's just some of the Japanese kind. A quite cheap. But I didn't hear. One interested in city. One country. After year. Minim say bia for who say name mo ayedin no. And I say who say em say ene o ma ya ye nje na afọ de yam press due dia. But na ko say bu Japan spokesperson me am na 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 me free pa. Na ko say obeka sa asem ntem say be anka bu Japan me kasa ansem no. Ansem mo ya. Afi ko after some me ko say oba Ghana ko say oh I mean ba ya o take us so him flag. I mean it's only be o wa e ane hadwen. So Entino, Nankos of the Cantem. Joyce, you're welcome. You're sure my parent, you many so power. You're welcome. There be Nana Pacos in the Mekasai. Now the attendant said, and the press conference, Akosu. Yeah, press conference, and I said, Ebusian phone be. And I say, ever probably because I just said, or you a spokesperson. Yeah, I thought I said, Quabusian, almost won't tie that room. I won't tie it was a pay to package. To almost one just say, you two of you are paying to pack. But almost shame or Pacoso, yeah, Busianity. Omo ko hia mo santas omo chese santas e na ye omo busua fi to omo ko hia mo omo chese de course busua pani to park to omo tu no omo nyi to san say na pa ko so nya betimi atu busua pani to park ai ka kan se bebre na ya to ye bo ase ya ba na ye chirechiru na ye ya no madama so on se de city enti eno so kakra ya e to dwa yes eno kra pa e papa no onim se nyina enti eno so yan se no ba ko a o de to dwa na ye nto aso ye Nian share the other issues. Mr. Robert can one subscriber and why now what like and what share. I'm a friends when you be a share. And what he into foot 1 year, but now was a bam terms the bear. Can be point to back around what's not TV, so can same beer, a bear hard drink or can same beer. Say a bear derogatory, Ediama, a corner distribution. That's the point I'm trying to raise right now. And I think, or say, or two of you so or catch the beer say, or catch the beer say, it was a pen that to pack. Oh no, that's a year busua pani. I say, oh, now we're glad. Oh, some a dombi. See a young person of a soon ye be. A why ye be? Why ye be a young castle ye be at us? Ain't it you are home? Was a mem penny. Jinx now, my son. Because it was a penny a small. It was a penny a jewel. I seem see an old now far now, qua now, but in tear you may market one. And almost there be what's me be a year. Young person what was yours. It was a place there be. Tiasi e mekọ so asom mo pese me som wa me som ase ma ye bibio kakra enti papa se o ka chi na obi ase ebusua pen da to park o da so ye ebusua pen na wonya ebusua pen da obi antu na de so ya ebesi ne ono da so ye ebusua pen za de papa na ka ono da so ye ebusua pen obi antu na de so za de papa na ka yes o say o ka chi man saying na say ebusua pen to park Yeah, now no kra dom tune o share live for YouTube by Grace TV subscribe mami wa wadaro ma na share my friends nyame hwe I was appointed that to park yeah you tune na no kra there papa na chere say spokesperson chere say on there or catch obi as ye ntu abusia appointed to park abusia for now that's why you abusia appointed ya asemo ko osum nipa se there bi osum ye bi ye person osum ye bi o se there bi me ntiase me de be ko so asom me ko so asom akosi wi ase ya asemo because nipa na abesom and I say, yeah, what you be, what's you be, that's it, what's you be, a fat two or knuckle. There be young penny, because was one person of some, Sana, some aquaco. Tiano see a back. You so more catch if you're singing. Catch if you're singing, I say, Obia knew what to your pen that to pack. Obia knew what to know, or that's why you bush your penny. And young Tumuna say, yes, you two of your pen to pack. Only one catch someone and say, oh, that's why you bush your penny. And I feel. Obekasa about Bogu Wolomo. Nana Pia aye enkran akonfo hene. Akonfo panyin. Sebi. Akonfo God down the assassin na won panyin. Aye Bogu Wolomo. And what you say? On say enra na no aye nungwa Bogu Wolomo. Na himfie. Bogu Wolomo checho. Na himfie. No mo hwe ani mu say eye abusua penda that to pack obeba ahimfie me she abusua penda that to pack beba eye gbogbo lo mo teacher na ahimfie na obeyi nsam ano e fada de lumba wasie no e wo sabi misremeka ono ani fie wo East Legon ye nungu afo asase so na no na spokesperson e kasa na wo chiem so kwa na kam obi ante se wo mu abusuafo no ene ina na busia pen to park wo mo san kakra ta bia envan free bobu ulomo eho busia tie ni onyam na meka o se kwamna kam wa mo medin die but wa kana me kana sa anti envan so aka kire mo fan kire o se wo mo aye busiafo ya papa o kasa aye o ka busia wo public family press secretary say dey wo chire no ene mpanyufo awodo aka wo mo san kakra ta bia Enfa enfri eye gbogbo wolomo checho hono entino nyame adom na brepo musa kakrata efri gbogbo wolomo checho ho dia omeko gbogbo wolomo ho but omo say up to ne date 13th March 2024 13th March 2026 the year of our Lord Jesus Christ ebesine omo san kakrata bia enfa enfri gbogbo wolomo checho hono enti na enra o ma nko gogo woro ma himfie na nenso as it stands now I mean the chain of record ya o mo nko gogo woro ma himfie but abusia mra mu nso na make asem be be substituted service o be ka ya gogo woro mo ne nananom etu o mo mrantie hene ne mrantie bi so o mo fa krata an nko e da dum be fie o Islego o no nko ya na ye maame mama sisi asio obi ani fie o no nko ba hwe obi o hono so what you say o ba hwe obi o honti no obi ani ho and my cat come to my post ni bi o no enti fine what let's give up your penny to park I'm supposed that to park the benefit of the doubt say nensan kakrata bia emre mo ye fe be substituted service ni na say obese odin saman krata komo obi so omra court you can court na wunya no uchinia na wunya no so uchinia na wunya no court security ma kwan say ene sa dia wunya no anya hwe substituted service ne say yempe kwan for so a ebi anya say the community pan directly na mom nipa na so beti ebi ni se nipa no oye adwuma oba bia it fakobo notice board or bia nipa no ye adwuma afei yemfa bi nko ko wan kratam because koko wan kratam dia odidi se wo hu because I mean press no graphic no ko wan kratam na ba bonti me bia se nati enti mi gidi ye pa se sempo you I know se kratam ko ye omo di bi ma police ni no hwe enti empo se omo anya bu se point to park ans e bu se point that to park ans serve kratam na fa ma no officially the tie ne se omo the ban 10 time video so which is also a form of media yeah newiasi yentimi ni social media film and it is a form of substituted service na bia because a bad media so me kura akwada ametie sabi mislemeka madaroma me kura me hu bi e de safo yeah and akokram enchino wo landing abore what for about me or UK sabi oh hu bi Josephine, yeah, apart this year of Frankfurt, I want to be anti no Frankfurt or which mean. Oh, Hubi. Yen na ya ye hwe, Mama Joyce mi na Hubi. Enti ade enti na Eje Abraham no mi na Hubi. Ana Jenfi no mi na Hubi. Da chi ne ba o mi na Hubi. Enti ade enti e na obeka se wonsan kakra ta bia because even so one wan say me kan so one na fa ma no bo mo ko fi o ye de mo beja ebi o no. But then for one wan fa ma wa they use other option and other means which is through substituted service no a ban nkrata mu na media so I mean the various media tablets traditional and print media in na can one social media in can one and you have no option say obeka say on san kakra be free but say on san kakra be free bogu wo mo chicho ho no eye enkran ga ni adan gbe nyina akonfo hene se bi na apia ntinka akan memu na santimemu a yebeka say ebia ga adangbe fo nyina suma akwa hene omo so omo san kakra be free no but then omo san kakra be free eye enkran suma akwa hene which is bogu wo mo chicho ho dia omo betu anamo na wo makwa na no wanim enti kopem se omo sa be kakra be sia de omo betimi akase omo san ka bibia sa enti na bibia ni ho a wo se omo ye tina ma omra na nom tena ase wo bogu wo mo chicho ahemfie wo no ngwa e ni anuansan twani kasa twetwem na abusuapon to park omo abusuapon da to park omo hwe animu a be se do hwe ni fa wa ma no omo be ya no se enye se bia bo apayo na emom omo san kakra bia amfa free na no mo ewo nkamem ewo no okay ana oza ka bibi se on se abusuapon to park abekasa e ka se sebi omo na de hye aye baakosofo no omo ye press conference na no edi kan no omo na de hye na omo kra no waka ntam agu omo so amantam no wo henanim ni ade na obaka mama China yi sans na no say ene menim de but mama China ka say abusuapon to park kra ka say wo omo sebio mesremeka e kan akwa kusi say omo ye ebinom ye mesremeka mo fa ncheme asampam ye nkasa asem na make mentimi nka say ebinom ye nonkofo mesremeka me report or kan na make kan say because ayadia when you kasi yempe something na kuma pan do ya china something mind no waka obi aboma asante enkai na shi na asante nchire obi bebi ofiri once obe kig na ya kabom say mind back on ye de odo chire ye esum ye rasum asante man ni na ni pa baako say bebi ofiri bia obana de ni bu ma asante na ni sikadwa o kan ya nti asante nchire obi ase amacha na chere say busia pay to park aka krase o sabio besremeka wo mo nempese mekampo sabi but meka because on kan ye say abuja to back aka say wo mo ye no nkofo mesremeka ama eno kwa dia something nem pet dia to asante wo mesremeka eno kan eno cho say ntisa da ema na macha na kwa yi anu de enti etisa say ntisa da na mpo ba akoso akunwa on say corner fu na die nem okodi agona busua ho on say busua wo diana wasona wo yeko ewo adakofo ni aka ho bi ewo biretu asona no ne ade but the kunya ne kodi agona busua no bi na ewo denchira o mo di akunya wo denchira o mo na APC agona busua de tosuminu manu achim kotoku ena de otosumiensa adanse bodisam obekuma se atafo ya nso a misremeka kuma se benkum ne na atafo ne onso ka agona busua no omokunya pa kuso kunya ne gira kodi agona fo na something na kuma parking slow man na botre ne nyansa ne ni dia odichisa santimaiti eno no an baso da ese baby pa kuso kunya no enya agona fo dia na enwe ya kona fo dia ema ohene kase ebuade ma kona fo ma China se bra something ni po bu kunya dia ma o mo kona fo no ono mama China ena afei ne maame o ma na wo manhia kutukufi o mo si abusua nan enti balance na abusuapon be so abeka se wo mo nya de hye obi o mo kwa na preji o mo kunya de be afie enti ne o kasa abusuapon kasa o ne nya adwen enti sa ne no na abusuapon si anamu anase de papa obeka sa wo nhyiamu yase anase ya press conference yase nhyiamu yase o de tu yase onte da se abusuapon to park ka o be se ebinim nya na de hye anase ebinim nya nonkofo be ne na no ya konye Ezra FM interview ka se o mo nya na de hye wan kan nonkofo le bo so mo nya na de hye eso mo kan na so enti ba ya panda so until we be ada enti no enti sa and afei on se kwa du ba ko a ebusuafo de po abusuafo to park ti o mtu na de so ne se o mo se obi wo fie a no ko bona amane a se bia se the teacher kantanka se no ko kuma se ai ko teacher kantanka e church nsem no obeka asem bi se e wa asante ama memu no so asem ba fie obi wu a obi se pani wa se ye bi ni se obekwa akopɛ bosen aba na ye de aye yie no afa ko pɛ bosen aba na ye de be yie na una obe supervise obe hwɛ se yie no totoye ne bia be ko so asomdwe kwan so enti o kyerem se amukọ ba kom de ba obusia pani no e wo pa akoso om tun no ba ko ne se embo obusia pani to park na obusia pani da to park asem ba fie a se bi obi anyame de na akọbọ na manye no o ko se o ko ene akọpọ na akọbọ sa na o kan o ko na akọbọ na manye se o ene akọna akọpọ bosia na mo mfanye enti se de so akọpọ bosia o sa na o kan no madarema o se o ene mo akọpọ bosia na mo mfanye ti mo akọpọ bosia na bi kura wi a o se mo boye yi na o se o ba no betina dwem se obusia pani o ma o zi wa kura ya se mo akọpọ bosia na bi a mo amudi mo tese mo kwati bo we mu edi mutie no akọpọ bosia na bi no obusia pani da to park o nsi won po allegation bi no obeye yi no na so jitu so obesi won so de a abusia na no se akan memo ye na miensa ifia de mu no beto mpem sabi na meme nda no papa bas le sofo mata di sofo ana catechist aba bompaye aba kan rosary mo mary ademasho ma me bia bu no so ama mampa nyefo atia no susu brane ama adofo wa sini benchi aba be jam eye de waye nyame de ni abusua na no chese asa omu wi a wakopa na kurabe abetena ase anom sikasa de chikosia na nso a pa kono kwa so ya kwa so de makoda nyame ase asa abetena ase anom na tisikasa na mo chese obusia pani to park bosia no weka cham so mo wakopa bosia na manye eye no kras wonsi ho de ko base ohu mo ba ba eye na allegation bi no ohu mo ba ba eye no so a ena miensen oyi mo ba ko na aba ti kosia de bia na ba na mo na osa kosa na mo kan na ye papa chese sa ase mo kan ente sa na nya se bia obusia pani to park obusia pani da to park nya se bia eye na ya na sabi onya bre nko na nya se bia eye ni bi na ba onfa ne hu nhye na se na bi wo ho a eya wo no a obusia pani da to park otu empanifo ni bi mo kosi na nan enti sometimes nya se bia ono a anko ndinesi woni wo da bia enti sa na mo ono atu asia na mu for se mo nko na mo nkosi ma nan enti sai papa o kasa na kwa kire se e won probably na abusia pani da to park etu ne se me de hie ko na kosi ma nan wo eye ahodo ye abusia yi ba be ye se bia abusia fo no bi ho aka wo mo nkuo no bebre ne so a ti simple ko ba se du ebe ne hu abusia pani to park amo na se abusia fo no bi hu abusia pani to park wo mo nhia mu ni ade ase na se eye bi ase a mo mfa ne sa na ya na wo tu ono ye papa no e ma ne ba e ma o ka kra se ya na o kasa yon se ebe o mu tu abusia pani ya na o ya announcement me dikya ka maka ne so many times se o na ye okọ awanya omukro ni ba ko na ye ko na de hye abusia pani so so ye abusia pani se na abusia pani to park just abusia pani to park na da o mu nyina no sa ona na da o mu nyina no ko pem so o mu tu no na na okuada no enti wo se enye no credit se bia o ma abusia pani to park etu ono ye na o kasa ye se ko na kosi manan enti se bibi sa sino oba aya anya se bia no na aba oba se abusia pani da to park na akosi na o kosi na nan but me bisa se sanati am ni se abibi apa e ko ka chom so abusia pani na tumi se mesi na nan a ka abusia fo be level allegation se asem kwesi fia o ma because omo ya we se tifuni wa paja fo elize am pa se papa akasa e chese abusia pani na tumi se won kosi na nan a en ye bia okọ fans ne fa ona ne ho di se obesi abusia pani na oba se ono na aba because so okọ oda ne ho di se o abusia pani to park ogisa pa nya nya din to park abusia pani ya papa abusia pani da ya papa Mr. Victor Kofi na tumi se mesi anan a anka mo fa sa ansam nka call de no se asem si fie kura wo ma oba kura so one day na obefem no okọ kura on pebusia o se mo am ko pebusia because okwara chebse abusia pani na tumi a blebi on ba ya we se na abusia pani na tumi wo abusia pani ni pa ba ko ontimi nko offense o mo ni bi ho ontimi nko agona ontimi nko pechereche ontimi nko cheche bi ase ontimi nko awenya ontimi nko ohima dida ontimi nko anyaso ontimi nko sunyane enko hehe enko kofori ya Eastern region enti ene saa de a ene papa no kwa na de kwaje fans me na maba abusa de bi kemi so me ya adwen de ama ma dwen na me chiro we ya church ya adwen kakaka nya bufu nya ntokwa okwa onka se abusa pe ntupa nsi misi na nine owoze o maba abusa family press secretary me na me ba me na me press secretary me abusa me ba eyemi na nka mo yenye enti no de kwa kwaje fans no ti ama abusa fo na adwen ama so se ebia obesi abusa pe na nine wo mu se wo no na aba bi kwa abusa no wo ye pa ni wo abusa no ti ebia o odo abusa no ti asema ba se de bi abusa si ana mu ti ma beta echi ti na ma ne ba sa because so obesi abusa pe na nine a sabio okwa privileges ni protocol bi o se de abusa pe ni bi de be ma no ti se de me semeka semeka o he kase be bod na de akasa se bia na no ye bibi won kan efa agriculture ho na wo se crop ya asante kotoko he na wo se okọ na bibi nti crop ya asante kotoko he na anko no tu ono ane ba e piesie eye na ankranza man na kwamba foto so nine say o he ne kone kosi manan no ebra na ankranza man ko ekoye no e na so wo something na 19 no e di ani buo bia sabi something ne ko yanke de ma no ye de ma no e ma wo be announcement ko mo kan wo say let's welcome the representative of His Majesty, the King of the Ashanti Kingdom, His Majesty Otumfuo II, in the person of Nana Kwame Bafo the Fourth, and Kranza Mahene, the traditional son of the Ashanti in Mr. America. I will call her. And will be able to say, Nana Yawabe, or young Kranza Mahene, dear. Then so Sabri, you may not see a present, Mamma, no name for you now. Only was some Kranza Mahene. Sabri, not or was say. Kotokohini see a name to a wow, was something to what Tijam Sabri, what was something. Said the amamba ni amane city. Abuja mje make en wotima ba. Enti the say bia. Na so man pon hine men kai busu anya santime na ya. The dot ye course so. Na so man pon hima dot ye na course so. Na santine 2 na nkwanta kese hine na pia na boachi ama bibi otoso mienu say. Kosi man nai wo dot ye na se. Sanse komasi ni fafe ko mu na maka ona ye komasi ni fa na ya otoso mienu. Okoye no oyen kwanta kase na de na so obo ase something ntie de ni buo bia se fata bia de ma no na no menfa nkwa hafo na ntotoro so man ni aye na Tweneku Ampim one ye president of the Half Region House of Chiefs na odi Apomasu Yam Festival Apomasu afashe na amachi bare hene amachi bare Kumasi a na jedu kuma ni one ko si sabi ko bia sante kotoko hena nan okodi anam so be something na 19 no ade de ni buo bia se fata bia no ye de ma no se de something na ba ye de ma no enti ahemfo na kwacha na ma ko mo ntoma amama ni amane kwan so se de ai se tie enti me ka de akyere na me ka de akyere se ma bi si asam so se e wa amama ni amane mu no se obi kosi obi anan obi kosi obi a o che no anan a okwa ade de ni buo bia nke de ma de o che no ye de ma o enti se me na nan ye spokesperson kasa yi se no krepa na se abia bi okosi abusia pe na nan no okwa no kyerem se o abusia pe ni Victor Kofi Usu sa brand na make abusia pe na me fa da nka abusia pe ni Victor Kofi Usu sa brand e na asoma me se be si na nan a ade de ni buo bia de be ma no ame bi ko bet na ayi paso se de abusia pe ni ti ayi paso ayi yi enti nka abusia fo na me fa call me boss say asem kra be fi abusia pe to park ma abusia pe da to park na o ma because on be kasa ampa abusia pe to park da to park asem be fi a na otu obi ma ne ba ti se de ono aba ya na ti gomo fa no nye kwa do ni bia enti ya fa ne kwa say na o de kwaje fans yes o de kwaje ono fans na o nchire mu sa enye sa nkanya ne se bia o mo aba beka sa asemwe eno so ye baako afa ye nto so bia mu a o se chiri na mu abi no so o mo abusuafo no bia nkasa bia na nsem a o mo wo no ano mato mbo ase akara cha mansa enti o mo de o mo ka de achire obi ase abusuafo ni to park o mo ntu no that's why o abusuafo ni but abusuafo de course am say o hwe bi Uhumbi, OTB. The signs are on the wall. Because said the actual was a penny by a press conference. No, Japani himself was nowhere to be found. Okay, but how much I say, means to me, almost say. I guess I be a Japani na a press conference. A woman a dog was Japani. Woman, Emma a dog was Japani ye pa, I don't want to say. And someone called us no. And I said, "It 2 hours or 2 no. Omo nyim tum. Enti abusuapani kwa mo kyerɛ sɛ ene no onim sɛ abusuafo ne ba behia wo. Dabi. abusuapɛni to park no onim sɛ abusuafo ne ba bɛhyia he is not aware ti wɔn ana sɛ deɛ wɔn so dɔ abusuapɛni dada to park sɛ deɛ wɔsi abu abusuapɛni ama abusuapɛni ayɛ fɛ wɔsi saa na wɔn ka ho saa na wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn kyerɛ mi nka nsa sɛ wɔsi abu abusuapɛni anaasɛ wɔsi adi abusuapɛni akunya ama abusuapɛni akunya anim abɛnyam na wɔapɛgya abusua anim onyam ti no wɔn hwɛ ase dɛbi wɔn kasi yɛtu na ɛbɛyɛ ha nti wɔn mpɛnɛ wɔn de wɔn kra bɔ afɔdeɛ akɔ adi abusuapɛni to park ɛnu nti na wɔn yɛ saa press conference na mpo kra no abusuapɛni to park onim ho hwee onim press conference na ɛkɔ so na ho hwee nti abusua wɔn sɛ wɔn de abɛto dwa no bɛsɛ na bɛdi aka akyerɛw no sɛbi I mean the signs are clear yɛhwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so ne yɛ a ɛne deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛyɛ ɛnaano yɛ a the signs are clear but no kran sɛ wohwɛ spokesperson yi kasa mu a ɛm sɛ ahobrɛase yɛ ba yɛmfa no kran kansa ɔhɔ ne kasa mu a because that's na ɔmo sɛ ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo abusuafoɔ bankosɛfoɔ no kora no ɔmo nyɛ ɔmo abusuafoɔ ne adeɛ but afei deɛ ɔkyerɛm sɛ o abusuafoɔ kakraa bi na akɔhyia Joseph no ɔkyerɛ sɛ abusuapɛni to park no ɔnyɛ aware onim sɛ biribi sɛ na ɛba abɛkɔ so ti ɔmo a ɛna ɔmo dɔ no na sɛ wɔsi adi ɔmo anim kyerɛ sɛ wɔadi abusuapɛni na ama no ayɛ fɛ apagya that number abusua kɔn abusua ma ɛkɔn abusua no ayɛ the envy of men obi abɛnya anankɔ ka abusua no ho nti ɔmo tena se yɛnyɛ na ɔmo nyinaa ka abɔ mu a ɔmo hyia mu ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ santaase wɔde ɔmo abusua fie saa na ɔmo ka ɔmo abusua fie abɛyɛ saa nneɛma wɔ nyinaa but asɛn bɛde aka no yɛhwɛ deɛ ɛrekɔ so ne adeɛ nyinaa one thing is clear yɛbɛdi no kura kyerɛ ho a it looks like ɛmisa ahobrɛaseɛ bi aba baabi kakra I think sɛ bi ayɛ late ɛna sɛ mpo sɛ na papa yɛ ɔka sɛ abusuapɛni tatu so nkosi na nan wɔ yie ne adeɛ no ɛne yɛ nanka ɛberɛ a wɔn kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ato nsa afrɛ abusuapɛni on 4 different occasions no abusuapɛni kɔ yɛ anka boae because ɔkɔɔ yɛ a ɛna wɔn kɔɔ de wei na abɔɔ no a anka hɔ na abusuapɛni to ne bo ase kyerɛ mu sɛ o ɛyie na wɔn sɛ mɛma nyɛ saa yɛ ti o na yɛ na metu na abusuani na anka yɛ ɔpɛ asɔre sɛ ayi mi na ɔtaa tu mi na wama ne nsa so mi na ɔtaa tu mi sɛ mi na bi si na nan nti ɛne yɛ na yɛ bɛka sɛ it is abusuapɛni who shot himself at the back abusuapɛni na shoot ne ho like ɔno na akɔ so nyinaa because wɔn kyerɛ sɛ empowered word 9 4 different occasions ɛna wɔn ato nsa afrɛ sɛ bra ebia na nka awo nkyɛn mu sɛ deɛ papa ekyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm yi o but wɔn ama wɔn ato awie so and yɛn ka no kyerɛ sɛ asɛm no akɔ ebi ɔbɔ wɔn nim sɛ yɛbɛka no kora pa akyerɛ ho a everything shows sɛ ɛm sɛ deɛ kɔɔ so paako so na ano kada no ɛm sɛ heat bi nipa bi afiri heat no but wɔn sɛ start no de bi a na mesrɛ mi ka abusuapɛni kora compose ne ho no na bɛyɛ den sɛ ɔbɛdwen sɛ nti wɔn bɛti abusuafoɔ bɛtumi atu abusuapɛni because asɛ wɔn sɛ na nsɛm bi kora hɔ a ɔnfi obiara na mɛyɛ na sɛ I mean nti wei nyinaa sɛbi ɔyɛ nana abusuapɛni ɛfa biribi ato nkyɛn ɔyɛ free spirited person a ɛm sɛ I mean ɔbɛn na ɔbɛsrɛ sami nka ne saa ɔbɛma wɔn ani agye ana biribi saa nti wɔn ananka mpɛ sɛ ɔpanyin saa ɔbɛma ɛbɛdi anim wɔ abusua ɛbɛdi ɔmanfoɔ anim wɔ abusua mu but nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ bi a abusuapɛni kasa bi ne ne actions bi yɛ bi anka onya abotire ne abusua no yɛ ne yie a anka ankɔba sɛdeɛ abɛn ɛna ama ne nyinaa aba bɛtu si anka ankɔba ne sɛdeɛ abɛn ɛna ama bɛyi nyinaa akɔba ne si so very very sad but of course edu baabi a ɔyɛ ɔho bɛrima sɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ ɔyɛ ɔho bɛrima bebree kugya nti sisi a minim ɔhwɛ press conference ɛkɔɔ so wɔ paako so ɔnyɛ press conference kɔ atu a ɛkɔɔ so wɔ paako so sɛ etu abusuapɛni adeɛ so ɛne nɛ deɛ akɔ so wɔ santase a make your own inference I'm not here to judge but you can make your own inference and know where we are heading towards but I don't know say after we know the bɛsa akɔ so bi mu anaasɛ abusua bi bɛba abɛyi ano abɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu anaasɛ ɔbɛba abɛka nsɛm bi a but sɛ wohwɛ nsɛm no yie na yɛyɛ honest with ourselves a megye di sɛ no matter what ebi a abusuapɛni dada to park and they wɔtena so wɔn kɔkɔɔ mu a ɔbɛhu sɛ na nka wɔsɔ to ne bo ase wɔ nneɛma bi ho obo say ah ebi ene bi wo ha opre na ho wo ho because as I say ato abayi mampani wo ho because o man no wo ho enti o man ni ho a mampani bia ni ho likewise abusuani ni ho a abusuani bia ni ho enti wontimi ni abusuani wa abra onfa ni bia ni buo ma abusuani because abusuani na ehu mo body tumi na fem wo say the tumi say fem say be di gina ye ni abusuani won say adnicity enti I don't know but me gidi ye pass em ze du baabi tumi no ewura me na abusuani that to park mu kakla sebio me kwala adwuma na me chiro madaroma anofo madwobro me ze du baabi me say tumi no ye abusuani to park abusuani that to park nya ya no em say ewura ne mu kakra ema ohun say em say abusuani mu de wono a enti no de obeka no ana be ye ho obi antimi ne mpre bibia ho obi antimi enye ne hwe so but yes so pam hu fu akoto no be ma so on say that necessity exactly so mro no kwe ana bia as the so mro kem no ya adwen o hwe first day no ya busuafo ni hia mu na on say busuafo the first day nyom na buy ana mo chim say first day one the two nipa kakra say o mo chance na na won two bi obi amuntu but ko ba say abusuafo ni be ye interview be ka say oh nipa fia kakra yi o mo nyema busuafo na nipa fia kakra mo timi na sabi mo se me ka ho kase yankwa na betimi etu ni ade no na jinja a wo mo nyina mo ye say ah sa asem say na waka de a ene ye nyina ye beba ni aba ba kire o say ye na ye ba ni aba ba kire o say sabi ye nyina ye tekire na de ekoso no enye wo kwa na ada abusuan de ekoso nye wo kwa na abusuan no sabi wo tumi bia wo mu a obeka sese ana sese nti na no de o nyina aba de okay massively they came in their numbers to rally massively behind the entire family say and I'm on to be abusuan to the CB abusuan taking on omo ka ho bi tekire ahoden mu omo ka ho bi tekire omo de omo sunsum ni omo ahoden ni wani munyam na tekire enti me ye sure say somewhere okay me be ya adwen say em say abusuan ni ansusu say bia say empo mu hyiam the second time so mbutu no a abusuan form pimpim nyina be ba numbers we nyina be ba ti me gidi ye pa because I was so few money or money asem bia ka oni anu ye bia de ma enti all interview kwa was from no busa asem kwa de fa mo anon so be ya no but after the press conference mo a reference and for some money and cancel to that means any the course e opa akoso no em say a movie na nakakra when kan kakra a movie of Japan that kakra tin na ka na ma ya beju ba bia that is it some of the development of free some way more band this is here the awa beto dwana no anti yeah me beze me kan sim bebre but say name am for didn't come up behind the scenes na dia o ma church o ma twen e dia fan sem wa hodo a akoso na brepam ni nyina no ya bete na fa yedi nyina enso atu yedi nyina ato asundwie ekwan so but ti ye nhwe o de ye mu nyame mpai so no amu no ma bibia anye boko enti this year yenim yes na Japan gidi ye too many run mu do men kan sa onya de na hoto Japan too many ekwan no so do crowd to the point say obi akwa ntimi ye na hwe obi antimi nche na hwe ena ma di mu a sesi a obi abeju ne because maybe mu gidi pass once here before yes am kan ye di on ye bo betimi afu akasa but the bad thing say be ni yan Ghana for men kan sa ye be ye ho bone ntimi mu gidi pass no matter what ebra mo bufu ye abusuafo de bufu ye na mo kan sa tigi na mo mra ne ade we se wan no ma nyina so obra na wase na ntempa ko hye mo na mo kasa ye mo koma so ade ma o ma ya enka we nyina me duru ha wase si ya no o ma ya amamre ne amane atu awie ama ye busa na ko sensa ensa on sa bi no kasa de o mu nya amamre bi antwadwan ko se de bi dwan asem enya hene ne atu ne dwan asem na emom o mu si abusuafo na o mo gensa ena nsa o mo je no sada na o mo de nsa ni na akọ so on ti asement na se asili ni tuo no ti no ya amamre mu de ena afi officially o mo sa de krata ba abode na da so no e be ka kira man sen na se ye tu abusuafo to park ama abusuano mu fa no elders of miane ho anwani na abusuano fa no bi ena o mu ina sa shasi ena afi ena o mo sa de krata ba ya me sure kra say ebia no akata na eba na epusu survey ya papa no be kan semi because no akata na no shipa obeka na press release eba no na ebedi hu komo kekwan ya mo kan ya akwa bo kokko se wo anti na da bia me kan se ebupenda da me pese mo de be court se wo a wonim na so ye nsem training wo a wonim na so ye ankrankra wo a wonim na so ye adwumakuo bi wo a wonim na so ye mmelani ni lawyer na obere se o address ya na se oni ebusapani dada Tupac etu anamon se ebusapani mata din babusia no omo ne wo bi ka omo twe no ko exam mara no ane ye baako afo mo wi a omo san so atweon e de ko exam na no manim anso omo ne wo bi ka e wo no mo anya asem ketwa ni nyina no a ani ya ye nyan tie bi omba abonti abika senti interesting times ahead ye di nsem we achipa se ebusua de better form bi e be san ba na ya ba keka ho asem enso e de achira man se e be san ba na ye de mu adesua e de mu ama ne bo nyina enso e de ama amansan se dia esi enti enya asem ketu akra enti me say de course wo pa akoso ene de course and then you can make your own inference. Wait me to comment about na making on the next 10 minutes. You can comment near call. Now for your home say if you baby grand out there, you be do and say update aba na was say your band temper, yeah the moon trimu any more the saying about small man sign said there is at so you can bring your comment na me to my boss na making can be there. Me you be there in film. Okay, so let's go and read your comments over here. But almost say press conference no. I was happening to Tupac. Onim ho hwe. I was happening last one. I was happening that Tupac move on cheme. I was happening that Tupac. Onim ho hwe. Tinye say be happening Tupac na organize you. Na but e be so say kwabana but say fie want to say you happening minim say you happening Tupac fie na say you fie dey me say dem. But me say you busu ye fie. Yeah, was Santas. I am obviously a few Santas. Don't just say press conference and no. I was happening to pack. Onim wash you, onim possible be a press conference. Obe one say be a media on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook say I was nebusu phone a press conference so mechanic. But onim to no won't be on tissue. Only answer or call interview so be good say. Hey, mebusu phone so one years and 12 phone share media tameti. Hey, any omo domi. On to no go onim so be here bibisa. Enti I'm will be anka say was happening to pack. And as one press conference. However, now the two IC, your papa Ebenezer no and was seen and said that you seen any come nice man, Naja, or enough from the Akaka. No, won't be. Yes, and see, Ebenezer say it was happening any or say, Papa Nika was happening with your boy. Because if you was a penny always and no one saying the money two IC, your papa Ebenezer so, but never bet two judgment man sign. And see, Sana no Sevilla, that's it. Oh, okay, you're bush your fion. Frank Watson, son, let's only more. Okay, or say, Frank Watson say, sometimes if you're near bush your face, papa no cassa and can, and I bush your penny that dark of food to pack. A ninia. I was a penny dark of food to pack. A ninia if he. Son, okay, Matia, medase, Tiano so sembra ya ode atuja eno no na yento aso na fei ya ke bia so yemfa ensom amansan said ya esi etie okay akuya asabia akuya boko dia odoroma akuya nso ache na dwen our comment section hono mo a enye asamketu akra now to me wrap up with the messages ni be na yenko ji ahome sanse bre eni yen afakra enso or wana yidi adwede chi nso abusia mesemeka eso fra and na yebehwe wusa ya mesem mo like video no mame why na indrechi madaro me bro sanse munti and na yete baby mo like video ni bi mame na enko echire muni ho aye ni ho nwa na mo kura kaka mo boy chidom and adonten amabibia and so aye asumji okay amati den yame asemi aba so we mesem want abusia mo like bi mame why the yankin can messages ni binti in the next 6 minutes you can kind messages na fe e dey show ni na abawi nyame adom na update for bi ato for my best aba na ye den nso munchemu any more money bring na aba abeso so let me get into the messages na fe ye nyini na from tempa na bpia enso enye boko right so message say free him from puni madaroma yes messages na say bi messages na wa infa I was here 135 years to see about 45 pen I like it. Me someone like my mother Roma. Oh, my boy, I'm like it. I'm on board love on this. Or TikTok, my ban, I'm follow. Was it boy love? Was it boy? And I'm in the media. Say, I was a video the question. Hey, didn't mean Musa, Benedict. Say, I'm on board love and so on board love. No, love no akomako kanko odona mombo so mame wadaroma na mombo like ne so mombo like ne so na yen like wadaroma right me that sipa and say 45 pen I like it 47 about 2 I like it one like no more e mame yes mombo so because enche ya me adu mame say ye be konkan akwaji awaye ya de kwa ye be sa agwaja na de akọ aha mama say no asabe ya I just have another life. Mama, Betty, I say, Asabe, I want something kind of fast on it. And Yagbaja. Oh, Palo go me wa. Yeah, the Palo go never conquer. So now, men can comment in there. Somewhere say, okay, somewhere was talking to Josephine. And I feel somewhere will say, when did Santa's house become family house? I say, more so. So I was Japan, the Okasama, I was Japan, can yes. And now for one BM, Josephine yes answer reply Samuel. Nana Jenfi say to sack and his cohorts are joke expire. That was at East Legon House. Oh, okay. What yeah. Now just because Tupac is telling us that Santas is where the Ekwana family coming from. And only ask them because almost as Santas Ekwana distribution, only never fear core. Ain't no so between abusuapin, abusuapin or what and of course, and man pop Japan Tupac that day. They went to Tupac, Japan that day, what no kunyasi. All this year kunya so paako so nti na mo tu no paako so na no man kutu no ba bia sa na mo kyerem de kyerem ansa afei wan bi na adventure aba wan bi okay Josephine BM to Pakistan okay makan no and I wo kai Adam say oba panya sam bi to ma me afei Josephine BM say oh to sack I for Japan to park to sack or Japan that to park other ma afei Philip Pata say to park time is over see people around the press conference I say more Bibi a wani mmerɛ sɛ deɛ ɔsɛn kafo kɛnyɛ hey asɛm ɔmo hu sɛ asɛm wɔ ho ɛne Tupac tuyi ama hu sɛ wɔsɛ ɛbrɛ yɛn ho asɛ wababo Juliana Asenso hello maame Juliana Asenso bibi abɔkɔ deɛ wadaroma asɛm wɔ ɔmo hu sɛ wɔsɛ ɛbrɛ yɛn ho asɛ wabrabɔ mu na bibi a betwam ade nyame asɛm ko okay afei ɛnto asɔre Josephine say Mama China was 100% right okay now Jennifer say what about the 1 week celebration contributions that was used for the funeral and also as some I don't say yanya konyanko because na yanya konyanko bi you know but when the Brennan Kabia and a veteran after some say although Bonini never attended any of the programs without the Lumbers family that is funeral marriage or naming ceremony okay so now bro that Lumba kwa yenya media and because that to pack kwa ka say onim ya maami odobro ni ni re onim no ni a ya maami akoso asewa na akoso asewa kwa ni nuru beba na oye ekọ krase ye fa phone ma ya maami odobro no ne nkasa no ya maami odobro ni say onye phone no e ma no kwa bujapan ni mi ya mini aba bubroko so ya data no GHP say interview bujapan ni kwa dwai say say ya maami odobro ni so no ne pe ko tona mo bia mo no bi kan san say that number you be this year say why no na wale kra na you be this year na won kwa onim no ni ade e na afi bujapan ni kire say bujapan that kire say okoye investigation the way investigation kesi pa also what no boss say that was we nim no but no boss ko ye investigation yeah any investigation ketwa no we investigation we man say say odobu that number war in 2010 yeah na ye mama ya ba you anu na ho ye mama force na na ho no enti ko investigation we no hu na afo tim kwa say die enti a eda no obeka say osi ye fa phone ma mama odobu ni ka say woni phone nkasa no na nye say bia ye mama odobu ni bu ni enti a na bibisa na emom osoma na wa fa asefo emom ko fi omo say sa da na mama odobu ni esu dia reho no wontimi ntina because of that number wo no enti so anu wo so bobra na reho etimi no a wontimi ntina no emu reho ntina phone kwa no wontimi nye o ka say wonyi no tinye say bia obu ni ntina na emom na pese wo tini so dia reho dodo ana ma ne ko ba sa so on say the city aha yes Rukaya Adam yes sir what aroma mamoni ye Rukaya Adam sa fi de maboni ye what aroma okay enti no so nsem no and afi one beam just to say we wanted to see huge and noble people at their press conference I say well this I would say also investigation I mean investigation no but just say we dey otum say otono bo ase pa ko ye nhwem say na asem investigation bi ti wo ye investigation no and investigation oh yeah was investigation oh yeah nya one day oh ra no afa na opusu a na wa hwehwe mu a na watena na wa say ti wo ye serious investigation powerful investigation mega investigation we say investigation to just say say I am a kra na so ni ya ware na wo nim ntia de ware no 2010 afim premier no ni do na eye bosome epo bosome nnan mu de to so do afim premier ni do mu e wo Tantra Hill wo ye wa anko bi ne mo ma me ya abayo nyame de akobi ma me Faustina Fosukobi ama mpo eye papa akonta okodi adanse ye papa da boot enso kobi ye maame odobo ni aba peni ekunu ema mpo wa wade na se no abusuafo de pem that lumba say na say that lumba da bia obonyo ma o se wa na ni me ya mekom na se wa me nkom me boni na oka me ni oda na be wa kosi ase wa de me boni me fa ni ago nti wa ware ko obo maame akosi ase wa din o onyo mbebie chese wa yire no enti wa ware o se won busa na lumba tiam wo man sa so tiam say me jana da me na jai 2010 o sa na dance be pin wo court o na jai da o man sa so kan o court e wo that lumba fi o Tantra Hill enti na ka investigation no awade na so some ni be see no na awade na start lumba ka say on picture bia on a private person why I just have to go to o tiam busa say na sa that lumba o se wa ni wo yam kom o na say wa me ngwa me broni na oka akosi ase wa de me broni me fa ni ago se cheni ba ti oda se wonti me twese of coin ezuta hin ba na ba ide oda na me don no zita hin na ba yi oda na me don no ni na oka na o praise no na enti enye sa de aware ho ada no man sa so no tiem se tell me me ja akosi ase wa da sa no be kan okoto Emma Pokrano, lawyers for Emma Odobroni, and so a counterclaim, no, almost filed for a counterclaim of court. Almost say, Emma Miakosia say, why a jano? That number Jan, name Momo, and I say, Emma Odobroni, that number hour no 2010. Yes, now I dear no, it is often as a good talk. I didn't say that. As I see a little man, so Tim said, dear me, my Jacosia say what or Tim say a man, so some mocha. No TM no man na me ni ho de that 2010 na me akra na me wo be DHS kra but TM o man say dey me jano da okay no now I just that look say or na say that look say me samu me a private person me samu me ba me a private person ti me picture bia ho that look say ha ti o ka na that look say or a private person ti mo bi en twa picture bia ho ti ampa o na that look mo bi en twa picture ho. Yes, because of a private person. But ne Yamami Akosua say wa court wa there in 2004 Germany no. And I say some videos now about 10 home pictures now there. And then as far back as 2004 and then it be ababa na mark say ask for 2010 no kan you picture wa. And 2010 there that number will be in picture ho. As a share so kakra. I mean let's be honest with ourselves. 2010 it be aba na Motorola na BlackBerry phones be a beba near there. And now you be aba na WhatsApp nyama but not Facebook aba. Yes. I remember I joined Facebook after GHS 2000 that time I mean GHS but now and be aba. The 2004 po almost make sure pictures a video man I say by media as well. Not 2010. That number was a private person. Then 2004 that number a private person or my pictures and videos. And my other videos you about Montia. They no video no catch that number catch say master twan ye but just say they be there or can say mo be in your picture sans one no a private person yes and I buy your hand with me change thing na me atiase and I'm for sinna for so no go be no and I was for baby dey dance report so na just say we yare one kind say no man ya me kan on show den dey see cafe awate ya me na be show na mo so I be na ya me for sinna for so yare dem one kind when me amakuma say I court I'm media dance here. Yes. With the message even I got born. Yes, be I mean Modern. And when be yes. My kind refine fan. Just fancy a born. Okay, yeah, a born. You may be we pay on a content. Why was I going to account a board of the point to pack a book? but niema bi na enya wie pay wa kontabuo no here na person kin bu say na niema be sa na wie pay wa kontabuo no so because also mo bu akontabuo niema bi wie pay niema be ya then na say na pa what for asmo ka say oni obi akwa mu akontai then there's an iota of truth in it because na ya o ka say niema bu say person o bu bu akontabuo niema bi na enya wie pay yes. After one beam, just been shame on them. Okay, and after X 7940 just say to park. Me patch your mat. I said because I let to park. Okay, so I'm not crossing in front to park. Okay, okay. Yeah, but you are told that we found that Lumba married the Bruni, which means I was appointing me or the Bruni before. Exactly. Aha. And also the shots. But that's a possible point to our because some time back say. We appointing just say, "Mama, yeah, buy you a catcher," and say that Lumba worry a year or the Bruni. Okay, there be say actually me refi be kaka me madwin say o say e di pe no e no bo ma me ya ba yo di nse no but there be so che say o say ya ba yo aka no say ya say ya ma me ya ba yo aka bu japan to park ma me ya ba yo zu ya che nti ma me ya ba yo aka bu japan to park say that lumba wa do dunia any aden na bra that lumba we na because ma me ya ba that no. And how comes that number we know that was a point to park first interview with many about Brocosi or GH page. Because that time I may buy you a catching. Do I make us so any mini na I may buy you a mini about catching or for but that I was only will be a we were I may buy you a catcher no. I ask him more. Also dynamics this here. I may buy you a catcher. However, also we will be a so now I was seeing for man call so on casa. But now I may buy you a catcher. Nti amane hwe aso kakra amane hwe aso pa and the bizu ba kire say we be kwa mama ya ba yo no wuye nyene nti ko he bra wuye ene bra awade ne ko so no a na dia mama ya ba yo asama the best see bi go of Japan sum and the best see bi ya be ka bi go of Japan sum se dia ai e bra ne ka na be kire yes and ko den kanya problem se bi yo mama kan no ko re en train now ye kan ko achen wa ye man Ghana ye bi memo ha nipa do was saying na ne me mate a me ma ware on bebre na me ma ware on but omo emma firi mu ba e ma omo tena sese kun ne yere anken se hwe enti mpo asem kan se mpo ka wade bia kra ni wa anya hwe na do ba ne ma do boni wa ma bebre o na ko shows ayi na kire wi ase na de anken se hwe but the man na ko ha dwi mean say go bia o problems this do that go bia o problem say mpo kra no se that do mpo say mpo me se me kan se mpo ware maame odo broni mpo e no no wo ma ankanye bone se hwe but to the extent say ko ba say yenyi maame panyin no ye maame akoso ase wan film na yenye so no kwa ye jano ne mom ye atubu di say ye maame odo broni a owo si ana da lumba ware no ni to na mo na yenyi ba ko film de no na akofa nsem wi na ba but then can say hwe so what I say you na ye ni pa ba ko ye nto so ye wrap up ne enko time the man on the okay, Josephine, look at Adam, and I feel LC Euphoria Piace, whether sometimes people like it or not, to park is out. Okay, Matia, look at Adam, and so S0 comment section or just means that man even knows nothing about Santiago Mary, or 24 I said it, or a man paying for I said, yeah, no crap, and who's our video, no PR, so you could say, bam, just means they just want to lie again, and so empha, the SCAV, okay, Matia. Okay, some of them are doing one. I even said the later of Japan told me, but we should tell me of Japan's who and the why you can just say, hey, some more. The calculation you are so calculate and a pass kakra. Obey Yamin Kwan and Quaffo. Only a mobile, only in our mobile. I feel one beam. One beam. Just in beam say, it has taken to park by surprise. Okay, yeah, and then correct. No, community say be or train say be a bibisa betimi esi. And I say, oh, say bibisa betimi esi. Say, if you afford betimi, your confidence say you be to know it na be so ampa. No, train say, e be yes a corner bra na. Afi, just fin say, Nana Parkosine will never come out to speak on this. Okay, Martin, all my casa on same way. Yeah, George say, yeah, Nana Parkosine will never speak. Some also a chief as secretary of your penny has secretary how. I said, oh, okay. Just say they have known their grounds now. Who say women not they? Women they, Papa, and another guy that say woman power. I say more. Yeah, to assume. After 1 BM. After Sonoro say, a chief of secretary and observer, when did the observer start hiring secretary? Okay, if you jump up with saying, say, family press secretary, there's a bushing now. Yes, and I know, yes, I get the American opinion. So, okay. And after Sonoro say, Eji Abraham say, if they are family members, why don't they show up or do their meeting at the Parkoso Palace or family house? That is it. Because I'm just only 80 free Parkoso. Jama for saying, Sadia, I'm going to Uncle Parkoso, my uncle in Shemono. Afi, just means tobacco has already insulted a lot. Tobacco has already insulted a lot now. A lot. Okay. Now he's afraid to get it back. Okay. Kwa pia na why? Okay. So I'll be just finna okay, Matia. Okay, Papa say pia. God bless you, Governor. Amen. Mami, nyami shawns, mami. Everyone bolding that was pa. Na sana the fefa oye mami. Mami so pa. Why? Nyami shaw. This record dancer so. What are my? Okay, Pempe. Just fin say. Yeah, exactly. J. Abraham. Joyce. Hey, good afternoon. Yeah, that time Joyce buying. My kind of message now. J. Abraham, BM say. I was opinion that man Ebenezer, the way they are causing shame and attracting God's anger. Those who have eagle eyes know what I'm talking about. Wow. Ebenezer. Okay. There's Ebenezer. When you should father the lumba and on no grand casada. Okay, Matia. Joyce say there be the Nabakus in Kasai. Afi, just been say they are not family members. That's why they couldn't do their press conference at Pakusu. Okay, I say that was also call a press conference. Ewo Pakusu. Yes. Afi, when be not going to Abani and King kind of some freeway. Frank Watson say he know everything about the court case. He was there. Okay, no, just been say Pakusu chief will never speak on this press conference. Okay, just maybe a film Wadaroma. We near about Procope. Joyce say share, and I just been say I grow what to pack and super. Just fancy he's even afraid to show himself. No correct. And that's what show himself so when man you be antonchen. Because fine say I don't know one crime. And now I'm telling you if you say that be in some man because why are they tia mama no mama so but be church nsem the antikura utu sa na mo no. Wa ma na na yanka bi nsem ye be hu na oti afidie say we press conference. Na say na wo bu na one crime kwa ntia. And the thing say every of Japan dreams and you know who said there be somebody okay fine as I say Japan nim say press conference be cause the Japan be with nim ya man ta benefit of the doubt no come say Japan nim say press conference be cause enu ti e na ema woni won no a omo na ye na no ye baako and another angle so say simple I Japan nim a say they believe say omo bo Japan ya we no I Japan nim say press conference be cause wa now want to show up in the day because already I no more one kind no more chance of buying if you are being some man. Bibi nti wantimi anko. Wantimi anko no, untimi mfa je na ebe hu na oti media. Na se na bibi anya o, and wo bu nkan fo. Na one kind ntia. Na ba sa wanya man. Nti no so betimi another angle. So okay. Nti somebody there say, I know who bibi or something which is there. Okay. Yeah, to us way. Afi when be na dwen aba. Who again? Okay, Mama George Nabonsu say, good afternoon, watching you live from UK. Good job, God bless you. Mama, me that's a point you sure so whatever ma. That thing about me I say that oh in tell me how whatever ma. Near we be on omo nya adwen kwan watch you say why. Miss Jimmy dey not dey miss you. Patch up right whatever ma me that say. After Joyce say, now he has become the family's bone someone. Hey, Joyce I would say, Joyce say is a 2x4. Then me be say, oh small busi. Almost say yeah. The why no eye fa pem wo there be me dey ma som abu Japan mi ana me dey me pese me som there was some ye bi eye tinase me ntiase tinti na me som sa na akwa yo okay Joyce say conversation so me say he is abu Japan for Santasi family house people not Pakoso people oh okay can I say we don't say abu Japan we did the man Santasi for and Pakoso for okay Matia after Joyce say the family should choose a new family head fast and no crata with the Barbonte and almost say almost be a guaquemo and checkra on be ye Japan for and we should just cross fingers now we'll go so I ain't check on be ye Japan for Japan now much as or any woman busiano or be cross any mudium no ma a bosom cover busiano and also can be Afi just say what Granny now he's expecting to go. He's expecting people to go. Okay, they have given him another chance. He's very lucky. Okay, that's no correct. After that, the Tupac just decided not to go. No correct. We are not going to say "Konkwanra." Adi abba maybe so be 2 days ni. Na boom. Ena me can say bia. Na on say I'm just Thursday 30th March 2026. ɛno a na Thursday na 12 March ntie bia abusuapani dream say 13 March ɛyɛ nne nti na bia no ano ɔdwen sɛ bia na nyɛ no atu akɔ a ɛnɛ Friday nso akɔ ɛma no hwehwɛ aso kakra okay after Josephine say ɛyɛ no kura jawusu wadaroma and after Samuel say he wants Abasa Kasia people to do everything back door for him. That's why he didn't go. Oh, okay. I say home. Money Abasa Kasi. I say when Yami who yamo. Yami nkwa no kwafo. Yami nkwa didn't pa na mo sisi. Ti yamo surprise say Yami say or no maybe anya boko. So yes. Even any pa ye na no mo cha but Yami nkwa e na kan eye honum. Afi when biem. Afi just say he's not aware that people are meeting in his house. Ah, how much say Japan ni won hwe. Obi an kan say Japan. Japan be once over content interviews na ebusafo bi ahia so ho ye press conference. Tinye se bi Japan na from so mbra na so abo bi pa da bi. Oni mo hwe na mo do Japan. Se de wasi ayi akora busuan na di busuan ni ma busuan na ya akono na wodi ni mo nyima bra busuan ntino. On pese won etena so. On pese mo tuna de so na mo be yes our press conference. Na mo kan. Yes, Japan no so oni mo hwe sa na mo kan. But then anyway, send ye na idea chi. Ti an hwe de ba kwen. And after just say they are just beating around the bush themselves. Okay. So I'm gonna say the first meeting, not all families were there, but the second one, all of them were no or car park was blown to Japanese that to parking. And I just say, and one can he thought he's more powerful than the family itself. No correct. Just say no need for the family to talk. Okay, Matthias Sepa. And I just say if the family doesn't stand on their grounds to ensure that he's no more there, they will sell the family's treasures to outsiders. The family has to act fast and pick a new Ebusia penny. Okay, Matthias say. Joyce, see, before he goes to bribe the chief to come and change the tradition on his behalf, oh, my sure say, and I know the amount anti-santi, there be until Granyesa, and I know council of Munyasa, what are my, okay, and transfer. After Samuel say, he didn't expect all of them to come. That's why he was doing math. In the Japanese press conference, he couldn't tell them they are not his family members, but after first meeting, he could tell them, no crap. First meeting also on na busuan for but then the spokesperson can say when me anka say on we ko share on na busuan for but you can say on we pa ko so for kakra bi but you kwa de you na dia dance say ntesa anya pa ko so for nkwa na buy because na ko kasa aye ho no you can say 12 Japan no na ye wanya awanya busuan pen sunya for no mo emi nya for na babo nko no so that so ntie no kwa na ntesa afi from what he says it's not the family house, it's his brother's house. Oh, okay, but yeah. And Matthew, you find out. Akuya Sabia say a big liar. Okay, and it's obviously please like the video. Of Akuya Sabia BMC, yes, please. Okay, yes, more like a crown say no 45, more like about 66. Yami Shama, that's a pan, Yami Shama, Namadorma. And after one beam, message you do so that when you be record. Hey, Abusia. Well, there's a way on the church be so, Madorma, message is Dawson. I think Akuya Sabia with VA. It's obviously Bolai and also or don't go with us million bar. And I say Juliana says hello, company. Hello, mommy. Oh, me a pombo call here. Me and mommy see Ajikun say, I was Japanese see your life. I say, well, and it's obviously ex Japanese. Who, I would say, no, I would say. And after look at them, yeah, my spell within here, I would ma. It's obviously investigation, bay, meaning a giant or boy. I'll just say, mass investigation, Kitwa. Daniel Jeffrey says, you didn't mention open source name in any of his interviews again. No, some will say, which people did he consult during the investigation? And only ask them. Was it Mamma Yabayo, Mamma, was Mamma for Snafu catcher? Yes, Ampa. Or Mamma for Snafu any panny bidding, yeah, but because of Mamma for Snafu say, or consulting Mamma for Snafu crack and some pat. I don't know why you're doing. Afi, my being. A curious say, hey, Nana Bushapen that I confuse. And the servants was three. Daniel Jeffrey, according to the about pain of Pacoso, Yabayo died about 20 years ago. No crap. That's 1990 something. So I'm going to pull on. And now the man say 20 years ago, that's 2005 from Pra. So I'm going to do my double in young water. But my may Yabayo catch the Japanese say, and I can say, of course, I don't know double in already. Okay, Matia, interest. I'm in corner for. After from what he said, they didn't take any picture, but where did they get that picture? And I'm saying, what? No picture, no movie. I say, I don't follow no movie. I say, I mean, after our the other course, maybe movie, I call baby kakra, and no try. No try that nice picture. No share the lens. Maybe if you can't kakra, I'm try. Yes. After there's obviously many and you too. Now, from what he say, he didn't take pictures, but they provide AI picture. And that picture now, where you could say, I say. Etino aso chen kon no na nze ka woni kodi ni fa ne nsensem bebre but oben dey ya ko ye court na senti na me pese me say da ko kese after example say AI pictures no apu okay Matia example after example you say ya afọ nso ehun amani o anse ma me ya ba yo anya me fa the currency example you say hey Ghana oh there be some say we didn't want me to say even said the later was told him look and I say one be some say yeah no na kasana you tell say and some na say basa I feel love I didn't cry me who comment actually be able to say Tupac is playing hide and seek from the got people to buy time to buy me nya sure say na no be say that be it been some way to buy na no yes seven on pepe say mama me no mama ni o wana say mo kan na mo say efia ka gasa ase no ti me dream ni anu me won kan say be ya ha ni ama ni bi ama mother roma and after that the say that the boy is not the do brother-in-law but the paid brother-in-law I say mo am for kasa ase no private say ja say we kan court na me kan say o che say o ye ono so free agona that the boy so free agona me refi kroko e da agona sama na say agona nkoni bi but just say o ware ye ma me obi boni ni aba nti ona wa ye no hobby ya de course na woni family no mu na nya de na ma ni be di adanse na ma di adanse wi e kwa na judge e sian sa da na ka say ah o ma bu gina da ka ma di adanse nyina no ona wa di adanse a e ye krojen ona wa di adanse a say me ti woni na wa adanse no e kama ma judge kwa bona ba so e ma nze chocolate as bibisa yes that the boat na kai one obi interview wa Sempa FM no ka say judge na kwa bona ba so ah papa wa di adanse kama pa àwọn mo gina da ka ma di adanse na wa adanse no just say too sure thumbs up at say crudging if you be anyone I say more afi Beverly Love say abuja penny Nebuchadnezzar hey Beverly Love abuche and afi Miss Warrior ma me be aboko dey say immediate family must meet ga elders asap it's a big opportunity for them no correct cause abuja na no here one kind say abuja penny ye tunu dia na say abuja penny say ye tunu nti one ma e dia abuja penny fu floreba abuja for ti amani bia no also on we phone ba no mo ye no tu funu no no say edware asase no edware abosom no because edware omo te fun say fia kam ma bibia e kama and so kan and afi Miss Warrior say na Miss Warrior kan afi so me say the problem is that when Akosua Sewa was sacked from the property Abus could have ordered the lawyers to allow her, but he didn't. This problem could have been solved by doing that. No correct. Because the reporter is a kind say, "Man, because that's why I'm so good with her." Maybe now, what am I from Pimo? Of course, if you know, if you under number, see, no, now, I'm saying before, but see, I'm paying money more. I didn't have na now on coach say same baby. Sabi, one answer where, what's your problem? What to cry nipa? Obedi akaka ama also butu anamo because esisi de we aso bi no opera esisi enti se etisa se ya ma mi wanda lumba na apem so si za fie na wabaga na oba no afie no na kurika bom si na se bi ni pe be se ada na we ne ba ho na monfa ne ko na masa yen ka me kwenchi ya normal so be peeved normal so be disturbed na wa agitate se on tiase enti I understand that very, very well. Yeah, any asem kitwa. Afi we kwaya Adam so ehwe ya any also comment section. Abusia enti we efa ni na mpem ase ho. Na okay, message for Fraba. Yes, Gladys from Poma say, "Mama, we have a say the family who came to Pakoso are more than ex-Abusia Penny press conference. Majority carries the votes. No kwere pa Pakoso na make can say, enti am say we am say, "O de wa but your course Pakoso hu bi, and your course na so hu bi." To work kabom that will make it own friends. Work kabom na make wow deductions. It's clear the signs are on the wall. Fact. The signs are on the wall. Until it is up. Right. I was anti there will be a system bre na moshe nyamin kain na yaho. Na okay. About Cranston say I don't know what people want from this world. How come someone that you don't talk to can take over your entire world? I don't know no. Just say about Cranston. Who comment that probably about I mean, a man said, "How drink a crash?" Eddie and Eddie as it just like that. As I feel glad here, it looks like say that Lumba BBR revolves around the bush. To the point say, "Nin yamba kra, nin said you mean Chebusi and Biasim from Chomadorma, and much Chebusi and Biasim." But to the point say, "Nin yamba kra, nin yamba if you como, no foul. Yeah, my minion, my free of como, Nina now, Nima minion. As a woman, they don't matter." But I suppose the Busia Pena says, "Yeah, yet to not so." and everything should revolve around ono. Masa ti obi mrema obi mefa nkodi sa. There because I might not know. But no credit say. Always in a few money at this year. I can say for a fact say, then I am a mere for I invest in that Lumber's life than I was happening to pack. Yes, I can say this. I might not have the facts, but I can say this hypothetically. Say, yeah, mammy, akosia brimpoma. I invest in that Lumber's life than I was happening to pack, and they are one because I should quite say, yeah, mammy, akosia brimpoma. And a ton TV, the tell man the 2 quite tree. And there be a mecas and be said, Yen I ban Yen Rantiano, Yen your man won't win penny for the anymore. I'm act as deputy mothers, only share quite 3 or 4 next year. Emma, just almost a broken conversation. I did is saying almost a brother. I say anybody, you know, invest your time where so. Well, I was putting to pack them to one say. All that lumber cassa I chepa. Now, and maybe that lumber and careful on carrier, the young careful ginger. What is I'm quite friends ginger the trade oh akakaju yes or ginger farm akakaju afro on carry and I know we pay that to pack so take ebuakwa that number kon carry na wafa ebuakwa na eja obechi ananza na to aso akọ but for a very long time now who na che na you obi a abusan do so ntimi obi a or na di nkomo ana bibisa enti a fact say mama yakoso abempoma university what that number life mu e chen we pay that to pack Mammy, akosia se one, so yama akosia se one nyame na kwan beka obi aka the evidence are the videos in our hobbit na ko TV akohwe Mammy akosia se one university hugely in that members life than it was happening to pack every go and of fire poko invest in that members life than it was happening to pack ne mammy church na Genfi because any mammy nua anya twekwa sebi me metie me mammy nua no ne ade omo invest a lot in my life this is mammy invest in my life now until now because of uncle for is only paying I mean yeah that's it yeah forget your mom now I supposed I was your pain as here to na so and I be revolve around no one sabi me say menka yeah papa man ni pa mi omo nya abusuafo emom na I think say sabi oka ko bi a blame us with the people sabi the people why en kana ti asem but the people that number name so if you say anything can just be before my phone code but my friends so people when can chance and bonnet no me person me dey na ko so because so that number anya hwe so why japade be we fi na ade won kan na but we don't say up to now mudu do say na bia ni nua ba bia ne hu ni pa bi kra ho atim nti but a lesson the boy na tito ni yan kwara ya ba ya mranti ya ba me for instance ade we ma femu afutuo pa mi swade na so me femu afutuo esuemu ade pa ebe boa yin ade besi bia nyame asem ensem ha but de besi bia nyame amakwan ansi de besi bia nyame asem nyame hu mobo na oba abrabom na opagya wa sebi hwese do obusuafo besisi yi hwese ni obusuafo nkwa obi a waboa wa abrabom obeso ne soro tinabu ni ho a obi na so wan so so tinabu ni ho a obi a megina ahwe fom preko ba so no soro be je den so obetwena free so abehwe fom kwasa ni pa ni kwa buju so no no kra ni te efutu de mai na ye fam aba ebeboy yes I'm clear the last part of messages now young cousin say hey 2 hours na dem say beto ya how hey asim kasa tintin ya okay enti abakansin de makan yeah I'll say makan abakansin de na Jackie Brown so say you are doing a great job keep it up Matia mama me that say pa so ho ye wada ma Jackie Brown abakansin say I'm really confused same here my dear na so kwa kasi ya it's there and there abakansin say my dear I'm doing good hope you are to anyango pandom aba me so ho ye pa abakansin again say I've never heard such a thing before in my life so until this is not Ghana. I think it is happening in a different planet. I say more about enti wawa. Because if you pen go bia, if you pen that kwa that lumba kwa nyo bia o na twetwe nkomo yo bia o ben no a e bia onim ne runs ne ade. But that lumba won't out of nowhere. The bia revolve around you. The bia revolve around you. So na sabi the bia revolve around you kwa na bia o de nyema to say that say to. Nkanye enye bone. But that's bia besi u na so na only one was said you be on Pomunia Bushafo de Tuanamo. na mo brɛ ya sɛbi mo brɛ ne papa ne brɛ no na sɛbi na busuapɛn dada na onyina bokuma ni fa no mo de ɔmo nka ho ɔmo de sɛbi ɔmo de enye ɔmo no maku. Let's be honest with ourselves. Na yebu do na saa de we asi let me busuafo no mo nyame hyɛ ɔmo dwopa ɔmo mpa asɛ ɔmo mpɛ basa nyame hyɛ ɔmo pa no nkɔ so ɔmo mabotre o saa de we asi me kai sɛ ɛbra ade bɛkyia mo ma yɛ yie no wɔ stadium na yɛkɔ ba bi sɛ ɔde blame ni na ma yɛ wɔ fa yɛ apoku ɔsɛ yɛ wɔ fa yɛ apoku ɔbɛ head ya hyɛ go sisi a ɔde blame ni ma because any kwan so ɔmo kwan because entimi nsi na ɔno ne fie entimi nsi ɛbɛ pɛ no nka ɔbetu na umrika ne ade I mean yɛ nyina yɛnim yɛ ne yɛ sɛ we di akyire nyina yɛ defend ade nyina yɛnim sɛ ade we entimi nsi wɔ baabi a ba de si so let's be honest with ourselves. But the Jafon Yami show say, Oma compose your more say, Omuntuana Mubia, dear Hania Mania Biaba, and Kaka, my dear Ted Yamina Abemua, Yamina, and winning Yakaka. So Munya would say, Yamina Beko the amount. So dear is Etie. Afi, one beam. Our country, the people should be careful. The people they surround themselves with as friends. It is his who are creating all these mess. And I'm going to American. Dear, your foot with the now. After nyame adom ne se opagya wo a nyame adom se wo hu no opagya wo a hwe mo adom bebe ho yi na hwe se wabusuafo nso anye wabusuafo nkon obi a wabere wo ho bia obeka na adom na wasi na hinche odina si soro wapagya na hye na nimonyam tina bi ni ho a onim di obi be but say obi be ye bibi sabu no be ye bibi a ejina say wa ba ye oni ema so ene be ma ni na akoso so what you say eno so ho nsem no afi one beam na dwonche abana fe yen kenkan no so na fe yen fa show ni na emra ewiye where am I makaju yeah who can say oh sorry oh please you're not a Muslim sorry bro mati aba pa ma minya kremoni o nti afa cheme why afi who can down so so what's the comment section was Abba can say it should be a lesson to all those up and coming musicians and I'm not just up and coming musicians anya yanyina yan kwara ya yebe meni menu no mrantie ya yeba nya de ne say obi amaba obi a fa baby afri Abba can say such a thing can never happen in my family no correct pa afi m.asamoah9214 say has the Parkour chief approved the instrument okay it is na no we no so de sana command na ya just say that you want to come something sana call you de command na nti no assistance now there na say o just something sana nya command na say pe na SB man esi no tuna ma say press conference and Japan na we see here no say na Parkour so nyem abonte me kasa so o techi na say o twaso na say on foaso because na Parkour so nyem kwa na betime tu Japan to parks na ono no kan okay afei the service sika na ato no kwenti akwabna mate abusu anti me do bibia ase we ye fampe ma ho ya me adom na bibia to for my besa banti ya na what notification so there bibia to ma ye besa ban ya beso mo ya me kan na mo ni kwabna so makra bye bye